मोअज़्ज़ज़ नाज़रीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। उम्मीद तुम ٲسِو سٲری ٹھیٖک पेंड ऑनलाइनُک اکھ نوٚو اکھ شمار ہٮ۪تھ چھِ أسۍ تۄہہِ برونٛٹھ کُن حٲضِر تہٕ أسۍ چھِ اُمید کران کہِ تُہۍ سٲری ٲسِو وارٕ تُہۍ ٲسِو بخیر و عافیت تہٕ خۄش و خرم. یِتھ کٔنۍ زن تۄہہِ پتہ چھُ کہِ پرٛٮ۪تھ بٹوار یا آتھوار چھِ أسۍ اکھ نوٚو پٮ۪نٛڈ لاگان اکھ نوٚو پروگرام ہٮ۪تھ یِوان یتھ پٮ۪نٛڈِ پٮ۪ٹھ چھِ أسۍ ڈسکس کران کٔشیٖر رِلیٹڈ کانٛہہ نوٚو مسلہٕ کانٛہہ نوٚو چیلنج یِم کٲشِر چھِ فیس کران تہٕ أسۍ چھِ انان ایکسپٲرٹس یِم تمہِ مسلٕکۍ یا چیلنجٕکۍ مختلف پہلو چھِ اُجاگر کران تِم چھِ انان فرنٹس پٮ۪ٹھ تۄہہِ چھُو سمجھاوان تہٕ اَسہِ چھُ دِوان جان کٔرِتھ تہٕ یُتھُے اکھ بوٚڑ چیلنج یُس اَسہِ کٔشیٖرِ آو ریٖسنٹلی اوس ونٛدُک زبردست تۭر ٲس ییٚمہِ بارِ مگر أمۍ أنۍ اکھ بڑٕ کرٛٲٹھ مُشکلات سُہ گوٚو یہِ کہِ اکھ المیہ اوٚن بلکہِ کہِ تتھ منٛز اَسہِ گٔے واریاہ جوان ہارٹ اٹیکن ہٕنٛدۍ شِکار بدقٕسمتی سۭتۍ تہٕ تِمن منٛز گٔے واریاہن سڈن ڈیتھ گٔے واریاہن لُکھ ماجہِ تہٕ اللہ تعالیٰ دِیِن تِمن سارنٕے مغفرت تہٕ تہنٛدٮ۪ن اہلو عیالن دِیِن صبر تہٕ أزیُک یُس یہِ پروگرام چھُ یہِ چھُ اَسہِ تِمن قۭمتی بیش قۭمتی جانن ڈیڈِکیٹ کٔرِتھ آرگنایز کوٚرمُت تہٕ أزکِس یتھ پروگرامس منٛز کرو أسۍ أتھی چیٖز ہٮ۪مو أسۍ سام کہِ آیا یِم سڈن ڈیتھس گٔے کِتھ کٔنۍ یِم سڈن یِم ہارٹ اٹیک چھِ گژھان یِم کِتھ کٔنۍ چھِ کران سڈن ڈیتھس تہٕ اتھ پٔتۍ کِنۍ کٕم عوامل چھِ کار فرما تہٕ أسۍ کٕم تدابیٖر ہٮ۪کو کٔرِتھ یِمو سۭتۍ أسۍ یِمو چیٖزو نِش بچو تہٕ أزیُک یہِ پروگرام مُفیٖد بناونہٕ خٲطرٕ چھِ اَسہِ وادی ہٕنٛدۍ بہتریٖن ڈاکٹر صاحبان مدعو کٔرمٕتۍ تہٕ یِم انشاء اللہ اَسہِ انفارمیشن دِن اتھ ٹاپکس پٮ۪ٹھ. ڈاکٹر صاحبان أسۍ چھِ واریاہ شُکر گُزار تۄہہِ سارنٕے ہٕنٛدۍ تُہۍ او یس سانہِ پنٛجہِ پٮ۪ٹھ تہٕ أسۍ چھِ تۄہہِ وَسہِ منٛز ویلکم کران تہٕ معزز ناظریٖن میٲنۍ کو ہوسٹ عایشہ دِیو تۄہہِ سانٮ۪ن ڈاکٹر صاحبانن ہُنٛد تعارُف تہٕ تمہِ پتہٕ کرو
شُکریہ اعجاز صاحب. سانٮ۪ن سارنٕے وٕچھن والٮ۪ن وٲتِن پٮ۪نٛڈ آن لاینہٕ کہِ طرفہٕ بیٚیہِ اَکہِ لٹہِ سلام. أزکِس پروگرامس منٛز چھُ اَسہِ سۭتۍ ترٛےٚ معزز تہٕ مشہوٗر ڈاکٹر صاحبان جُڑِتھ. آز چھُ یوٗ ایس پٮ۪ٹھ اَسہِ سۭتۍ ون آف د موسٹ ویل نون کشمیٖری کارڈیولجسٹ ڈاکٹر یوٗسف کنجوال. ڈاکٹر کنجوال چھِ ڈایریکٹر کارڈیاک الیکٹروفیزیالوجی ہیلتھ کارڈیوواسکولر انسٹیٹیوٹ سایناے. سٲنۍ دوٚیِم پینلسٹ چھِ ڈاکٹر سید مقبوٗل یِم کٔشیٖرِ منٛز ایس ایم ایچ ایس ہسپتال کنسلٹنٹ انٹروینشنل کارڈیولجسٹ چھِ. ییٚمہِ علاوٕ چھِ اَسہِ سۭتۍ آز جُڑِتھ ڈاکٹر عبدل غنی اہنگر یِم کارڈیوتھوریسک سٔرجن تہٕ ڈایریکٹر چھِ کشمیٖر انسٹیٹیوٹ آف میڈیکل ساینسز. سٲنِس پروگرامس منٛز شٲمِل آسنہٕ باپتھ تہٕ پنُن قۭمتی وقت اَسہِ دِنہٕ خٲطرٕ چھِ أسۍ تُہُنٛد واریاہ شُکر گُزار. یِتھ کٔنۍ زن تۄہہِ سارنٕے پتہ آسیو دِلچہِ بٮ۪مارِ یا کارڈیوواسکیولر ڈِزیٖزز چھِ سٲرسٕے دُنیاہس منٛز موتٕچ اکھ بٔڑ بارٕ وجہ. دِل کہِ دورٕ سۭتۍ یِم اموات چھِ گژھان تِمن منٛز چھِ آز کل کٔشیٖرِ منٛز واریاہ اِضافہٕ گوٚمُت. ییٚمہِ برونٛہہ زِ أسۍ گژھو یتھ موضوٗع کٮ۪ن تفصیٖلاتن منٛز بہٕ یژھٕ اکھ بُنیٲدی سوال سۭتۍ أزکِس پینل ڈسکشنُک سلسلہٕ شروٗع کرُن. عام زبانہِ منٛز سڈن کارڈیاک ڈیتھ کیٛاہ گوٚو؟ ڈاکٹر مقبوٗل اگر تُہۍ اتھ کتھِ تھوڑا واش کٔڑہِو زِ سڈن کارڈیاک ڈیتھ کیٛاہ گٔے؟ کیٛاہ کارڈیاک اریسٹ تہٕ ہارٹ اٹیک چھا کُنُے چیٖز یا یِم چھِ زٕ مُختلف چیٖز؟ اِنسان سٕنٛدِس دِلس کیٛاہ اثر چھُ کیٛاہ چھُ گژھان دراصل ییٚلہِ کارڈیاک اریسٹ چھِ یِوان تہٕ اتھ کیٛاہ کیٛاہ وجوٗہات چھِ عموٗمن وٕچھنہٕ آمٕتۍ؟ ڈاکٹر مقبوٗل.
السلام علیکم ناظریٖن. السلام علیکم محترم اہنگر صاحب اینڈ محترم کنجوال صاحب. سڈن کارڈیک ڈیتھ یۄس آسان چھِ أسۍ چھِ وَنان یہِ ٹٔرم چھِ أسۍ یوٗز کران اگر کٲنٛسہِ تہِ نفرس کانٛہہ دود کرِ تہٕ أکِس گٲنٛٹس انٛدر انٛدر گژھِ أمِس ڈیتھ ڈیوٗ ٹُو کارڈیک ڈِزیٖز اتھ چھِ ونان أسۍ سڈن کارڈیک ڈیتھ. أمِس نفرس آلریڈی کارڈیک ڈِزیٖز ٲسا یا نہ ٲسٕس یہِ چھِ اِمیٹیٖریل مگر اگر أمِس نفرس أکِس گٲنٛٹس انٛدر انٛدر کانٛہہ تہِ دود شروٗع کرنہٕ پتہٕ ہارٹ کہِ کُنہِ دادِ سۭتۍ ڈیتھ گژھِ اتھ چھِ ونان أسۍ سڈن کارڈیک ڈیتھ. نمبر 2 چھُ یُس زن کارڈیک اریسٹ چھُ. کارڈیک اریسٹ چھِ سۄ ٹٔرم أسۍ یوٗز کران ییٚمہِ ساتہٕ ہارٹُک فنکشن یُس چھُ یا تہِ چھُ ہارٹ کمپلیٖٹلی سٹاپ کران فنکشنِنگ یا تہِ چھُ امیُک فنکشن آسان ان ایڈکیٹ ٹُو یُس زن سانہِ پیرِفرل آرگنز یِم زن سٲنۍ آسان چھِ یتھ منٛز ساروی کھۄتہٕ امپارٹنٹ برین چھُ لنگس چھِ کڈنیٖز چھِ لِور چھِ یِہنٛزٕ یِم نیٖڈٕس چھِ آسان یِم پوٗرٕ کرنہٕ خٲطرٕ آسان ناکٲفی یُس یہِ ہارٹُک فنکشن ناکٲفی آسہِ یا آسہِ ٹوٹلی کرِ ہارٹ سٹاپ فنکشننگ اتھ چھِ ونان أسۍ کارڈیک اریسٹ. اتھ چھِ امپارٹنس ساروی کھۄتہٕ زیادٕ اتھ بارس منٛز यह ब्रेन सोन अगर अत 20 सेकंडन ब्लड सप्लाई बंद गि यह नफर बेहोश गसान अगर यह ब्लड सप्लाई 2 पे 3 मिनटन तान रोज बंद अमिस नफरस हे इरिवर्सिबल ब्रेन डैमेज अगर यह ब्लड सप्लाई 9 पे 10 मिनटन तान बंद रोज यह नफर हे पत वापस यह मुश्किल सर्वाइवल नफरन मुश्किल त्रेम चीज हार्ट अटैक वनान हार्ट अटैक सो एंटिटी जन कार्डियक अरेस्ट कर सडन डेथ तक हार्ट अटैक सैनिस हार्टस 3 रग ब्लड सप्लाई यूजुअली कंस 20-50% 4 रग त आम तौर से 3 रग जन हार्टस ब्लड सप्लाई करान इत पे सैनिस प्रथ कुन ऑर्गनस सान नरन जंगन सानिस किडनी सानिस लिवरस सानिस लंगस पे अत ब्लड सप्लाई जरूरत इथे पे सैनिस हार्टस त ब्लड सप्लाई जरूरत अत काम करने खतर अत 24/7 काम आसान करन यह हार्ट अटैक तेल करान यूज अगर कुन त ब्लड वेसल हार्ट थोप ब्लड यस रेस्ट्रिक्टिव कार्डियोमायोपैथी अत मज हार्ट पंप करान ब्लड ठीक पे मगर यस रिसीविंग कैपेबिलिटी रिसीविंग कैपेसिटी यह हार्टस आसान नॉर्मल क्या अत रेस्ट्रिक्टिव कार्डियोमायोपैथी मज यमन तकान सडन डेथ गसित मगर कंपेयर टू हाइपरट्रॉफिक कार्डियोमायोपैथी तो डायलेटेड कार्डियोमायोपैथी इंसिडेंस ऑफ सडन कार्डियक डेथ यमन मज लो आसान त्रेम युस मेजर वजह यथ मुतलिक बह वन कंजवाल साहब यथ मज वर्ल्ड अथॉरिटी यम चैनलोपैथीज सैनिस हार्टस मज मुख्तलिफ चैनल्स आसान सोडियम चैनल्स पोटेशियम चैनल्स कैल्शियम चैनल्स क्लोराइड चैनल्स तो क्या दद लॉन्ग क्यूटी सिंड्रोम वनान ब्रिगाडा सिंड्रोम वनान शॉर्ट क्यूटी सिंड्रोम वनान यम चैनलोपैथीज सडन डेथ कर अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ सैनिस हार्टस मज इलेक्ट्रिकल एबनॉर्मलिटीज करान इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अगेन यह वेंट्रिकुलर फिब्रिलेशन या वेंट्रिकुलर टैकिकार्डिया अत मज हार्ट रेट एबनॉर्मली फास्ट गसान यस वेंट्रिकुलर फिब्रिलेशन आसान अत मज मन तुम पे हार्ट स्टॉप करान फंक्शन यह अत थर थर हार्टस गसान मगर एक्चुअली पंपिंग गसान कहें तो अगर यह कंटिन्यू रूज इंसानस हे सडन डेथ गसित सो यम मेजर काजेस यम सडन डेथ हे गसित
शुक्रिया डॉक्टर मकबूल वारिया असल पे करो तो एक्सप्लेन यम कार्डियक अरेस्ट हार्ट अटैक कितना डिफरेंट अंडरलाइंग मेजर काजेस क्या है
sorry to interrupt you Mahbub sir I think he did a good job very good job na explain karun bada asal pe I think he's absolutely right basically she's current differentiate between the cardiac arrest and a heart attack unfortunately to look at it they just kind of interchange the terms every cardiac arrest is not a heart attack. Heart attack is completely separate entity as alag. The चीज जरूरी करें पान में differentiated. Heart attack does not necessarily mean that patients has a cardiac arrest. Heart attack है कि cause of वजह cardiac arrest. I think Maqbool sir very well explained it. Thank you.
शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब आप पे इंशाल्लाह करो ऐसे यमो इस बे आत क्वेश्चंस पे तो या तो सब डॉक्टर आंगर साहब निश बोजन के स्टैटिस्टिक्स अगर तय आज क्योंकि आज रिसर्च होजान गसान कंटिन्यू अस मन तो एट क्या स्टैटिस्टिक्स पतमन मतलब रेतन हन या पतमन वरन हन आशो तय स्टडी तय अंदाज के हार्ट रेट मतलब हार्ट अटैक इन कता इंक्रीज गमत रेट पे गमत इंक्रीज या मंदस मस गया ज्यादा इंक्रीज रेट तो अस क्या विकनेस क्या ट्रेंड का होप है कि ये गैस कंट्रोल related to us.
Dr. Yusuf Kanjwal Saab, my role model, a great teacher, a great cardiologist, and the world authority today. Dr. Maqbool Saab, my dear colleague, a youngster who's budding cardiologist and doing a wonderful job. Ejaz Saab and Mohtaram Aisha ji. Assalamu alaikum. Using a sudden cardiac death, yemuk class Dr. Maqbool Saban and Dr. Kanjwal Saban won. Yichu bazahir basan kashir maz patme doya tre thomas aksar news maz newspapers maz media maz social websites imte che zabardast highlight gasan. The fact remains ki yishuna patme doya tre pat it has been existing all along. Akkat because of the knowledge, because of the awareness, because of the internet, and because of the students today, the modern youth, they being all tech savvy, and they are all the time connected to the net. The awareness is all the time there. Even an art student, not to speak of a science student or a medical student, they keep on looking for all these areas, and so the awareness has increased. Yet point when you Dr. Kanjwal Saban, Dr. Maqbool Saban ke certain cardiac deaths alag entity ak. Practical cardiac arrest certain cardiac deaths में जवान शामिल करने के यम ती वजूहात मकबूल सबन डॉक्टर कंजवाल सबन वन यमन में क्या आसान क्या defects by birth क्या आसान conduction defects क्या आसान so आसान disease myopathies या conduction abnormalities या arrhythmias at mutlaq yim studies ashnish available ch timo mas leading study agar is vishal annual figures America's mas takriban 3,50,000 tan certain cardiac deaths gasan annually as per the reports available, as per the discussions with my cardiology colleagues here. Magar is on soon data shows on my panyan cardiology teams jisme zan we can say Dr. Hilal sir shibe baki temsit and baki doctor sab kam karan se as such shun ye certain ye data mention available ki or yim deaths yimo mukhtalif wujuhat ki yawan gasan rozan aman particular yimzan te reasons che at mutlaq sen can post graduates azkal can warrant projects but काम करा. So data shouldn't be available that those studies are not complete. As and when the studies are complete, the data becomes available. We'll share with you. However, the point of concern is yimzan patim zarash wanan se chahe tatmas vandasmas sheen paniki ya sardi asne ki ya thand mausam asne ki yimzan halat se yim sari cheez at kar farma kuni kunnat kunsa judit rozan. And most unfortunate part is the lot of youth, even adults to a great extent, have been using stress busters in the form of drugs or some substances which are known as substance abuse. Cannabis, brown sugar, heroin, tablets like spasmoproxone or anti-anxiety drugs, inhalational medications you want to use, even shoe polish for that matter. So a lot of even these cough suppressants. तो यम चीज अक्सर लोग करान यूज ये बदकिस्मती अक्सर जन सोन नौजवान यम जन जॉबलेस पोरमुत लुकन even being educated and not getting the job or not being busy with his other routine activities yim gasan amik shikar this trend this trend itself ya also is related stress is a stress related hypertension related ya coronary artery disease related yim te asid baki factors you've got to contribute gashatan ye incidence increase karan che ya atmos contribute karan che you should a source of concern and in either case agar is we show bronchison age group kind differences between coronary artery disease ya sex ratio male female versus so that is shrinking now that's not so more and more of the youngsters are getting heart attacks because of the coronary artery diseases, because of the advanced form of various illnesses. Dr. Kanjwal Saban is winning amuk zikir print code, but apparently media या newspapers masani karan tasawwur as cardiac deaths, sudden cardiac deaths, which is not so.
शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब बिल्कुल यितकन जन डॉक्टर आहंगर तो फरमाओ कि कशीर में आजकल ज़्यादातर नौजवान सडन कार्डियक अरेस्ट गमत तो ये सडन कार्डियक डेथ शिकार गमत इमो नई नई पैटर्न गमत एपिडेमियोलॉजिक तो इमो नयो पैटर्न नई नई हाइपोथेसिस ते ब्रोह कुन आमत वारिया मुख्तलिफ वजूहात इमो यवन केसन मज इजाफ गमत तो डॉक्टर कंजवाल अगर बह पृछो कि January पे मज वारिया केसेस बढ़ा consistently increase गसा मौसमुक छा का significant role आसान cardiac health aspect if we look at JK Policy Institute की recent commentary तत मज वन रेत काल के मुकाबले वंदस मज तकरीबन 50% ज्यादा heart attack report आमद करना तो heart attack वंदस मज या सुबह किस वक्त मज क्या आसान ज्यादा common the temperature कम गसनो क्या असर पेवान सनिस सेहतस पे तो वन तूर मन या अम सत हार्ट डिमांड सप्लाई पे कित पे असर पेवान अस वेसो ये तो निश जानो कंजवाल साहब
basically thank you so much Angra sir for your kind words and Maqbool also he has been one of good students of ours. I really appreciate your words. So what is happening is actually question pretty karbakat, and because everybody is starting talking Kashmiri. The cold, absolutely. You should sardi hun mosam chu. It's already established, it's already published that if sardi hin mosam man chu heart attacks zyada gasan, sardi hin mosam man chu gasan strokes zyada, sardi man chu gasan sudden cardiac death zyada. That's why I got the medical, which should medically cash one gasan patient in you because sardi man chu gasan na isu ashasai maraga sickness manzin yeah under the skin. We call them these arterioles and arteries. Some different ways of construction. Ways of construction matlab go. Timsha sugra basically. Turi system wide gasana sugra. Timsha blood pressure thasa. Timsha blood pressure could heart aspect will automatically asar. Heart aspect will automatically asar. Timsha gasana thoda chest pain. And agar timan thoda was already a risk factor like hypertension, sugar, high cholesterol. Timan hek timsha din problem with a chest pain is a angina valanche. या हेक्टमन जैसे हार्ट अटैक आज वजह ये कि सर्दी से के हार्मोन्स बॉडी करना प्रोड्यूस यमन इस वना कैटकोलामीन्स नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन एपिनेफ्रिन तो बाकी तुम पता ultimately you get something called as angiotensin वारिया खतरनाक इसने मन बाजू कंस्ट्रक्ट करान मन blood vessel तम से obviously blood pressure पे heart is sweating imaging some problem, but morning is much cash because morning in polishing it around Suban all of a sudden they get the surge. You can call surge kind of a fight and flight mechanism we call it. In such levels that the patient which is much worry the patient is further THK. It has been a American study, which various studies go to January side with heart attacks. That's why you already call numbers January even all the hospitals the patient because they shovel snow so that's a tremendous exertion. So obviously, agar tu Kashmiri mans which are pane tolan shian look, tuman paisnut, tuman pazing automatic which sometimes they cannot afford. But tum patient, even problems are even heart attacks are some bronchomut, angina are gomut, risk factors are even shash kaise easily. Tuman paisnut sardi mans in near is waiting came pat shian tolan. We get lot of deaths, lot of sudden deaths in America because of that. The one that's much usually sedentary lifestyle, the Kashmiri ones. Under can be has never near any COVID and the political problem of Kashmir, that's one a triple whammy go chair incursion, unfortunately. So our youth, our middle age, elderly, they are exposed to a lot of problems. The beach is I say we don't wear proper clothes. In South never near us, banyan at Legita court, Yashas and Karen, Logic Bob and the recently Baskasudisan. So people are not very well dressed, particularly head as well as hands. These are the Yumzichi is color spread in two passing and gloves asking, hand gloves asking, muffler asking, what is it? Jada Tichun current cave, so petals per southern per southern, at least be adequately kind of dressed. The Bishop is the son Sardi Mazing under him arteries Shasan, the one with access on endothelium layer Shasan. Why and Bemar is a dysfunction, certain heart attack. The doing is just strokes. I think long time ago we did a study when I was in Sora. One of the postgraduates had his thesis, incidents of cerebrovascular accidents in Kashmir. So that was obviously Sardi month obviously strokes the job. William Underkan Chasa, so obviously what do you do? Guard a hatcher, guard achar, very salty diet, and that also contributes to their hypertension. Bishop Biashi himself exujai in root one that's monthly, Kimishakan is a southern deep vein thrombosis. So they basically can develop pulmonary embolism and other things. So overall, agar tu wuchu kashir mein musibat ki ashu panin gar image gar prun mech makan so leo boss mech hunda asan magar problem chu we cannot do that. We have all these houses made of cement and beautiful houses, but they are not fuel efficient and they are not insulated well. This is obviously look bichare varia pareshani ga sath tur ga sa ah kamrisman varia garam manchile haman ki never can go to what is most needed. So I think service is obviously why a problem is some particularly hard patient and they can have sudden death as well.
शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब तह करो बड़ असल पे मतलब समेटो तो ये साथ दिवन क्या रोल रोजान तो बिल्कुल तह वनो अम सच पे कशीर मज पत माहौल तो बदलान क्या लूक ठंडी मज फसान दपान वो बेमो अंदर पे बाकी नतीज तथ मज इंसान लेप्टन चाय बेवान चीन नन चाय बेवान चीन दवा खेवान अचार खेवान तो तम बाकी डाइटरी इशूज मतलब डाइटरी फैक्टर्स या बनान तम तो डॉक्टर आंगर साहब तह करू रिसेंटली कश्मीर ऑब्जर्वर सहित इंटरव्यू दितमुत तथ मज तमें 5 S's कर highlight salt sedentary lifestyle smoking या सब यह फूडस रिलेटेड salt sugar रिलेटेड सब थोड़ा ज्यादा बेहतर पे जान कि इस नून या खंड यह कितन इंटरैक्ट करन साइन बॉडी मज ताकि बढ़ावा यह हार्ट रेट तो बे युम गुजा खेवान मिसाल कह कार्बोहाइड्रेट ज्यादा रिच या फैट रिच प्रोटीन रिच इन हूं असर रोजान अस कितना पजन मैनेज कर तो अम सत कि में डायबिटीज पेशेंट्स तमन ऑब्वियसली यू नो खानिक मसाइल रोजान तो तम लूक ज्यादा मतलब एट रिस्क इन हार्ट डिजीज या हार्ट अटैक
एजाज साहब डॉक्टर यूसुफ साहब ब्रोकन डॉक्टर मकबूल साहब ब्रोकन मैं अमिस सवाल जवाब दिन थोड़ा मुश्किल तो थोड़ा ईजी थे चूँकि यम कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट of repute, world renowned, and मैं इत पे ये प्रोग्राम तो जिक्र करो कश्मीर ऑब्जर्वर से इंटरव्यू दित यत मज मैं 5 S's वन इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज लफ्जन हूं नाव सिर्फ S से शुरू गसान तो चूंकि तमिक तज़किर बे जान बह वन बे कर बह रिपीट कश्मीर मज सारे पता कि वंद शरियत अकिस कशिस आम इंसान खतर थोड़ा सा मुश्किल यम जन वेल टू डू फैमिली तिमन हमाम तिमन वुशनेर बाकी इंतजाम तिमन लाइफ कंफर्टेबल बट टू ए ग्रेट एक्सटेंट जन आम लुक तिम सर्दी नश बचने खतर ज्यादा अंदर कनी बेहान तिमन पलव तीत कहें गरीब तिम कोशिश करान इंडोर लाइफ बे तिमन खेनस मज तम हिसाब तिम फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल कह यम किन तिम शायद नेबर हेकान गसित या बाकी जन आउटडोर लाइफ सह हेकान लीड कर विद द रिजल्ट अशर इंसान गसान कन्फाइन टू विद इन द हाउस अम फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कम गसान अम अकोई बिजनेस रोजान खुन चुन यह चूंकि अक्सी जाए कन्फाइंड यह खेवान क्या नत खेनस मज लोग साल्ट काफ़ी कंज्यूम करान स्पाइसेस काफ़ी कंज्यूम करान प्रानियन देहाती इलाकन मज वन स्मोकिंग चलान सो चाहे हुक्का के सूरत मज जजीर हंद सूरत मज या बाज लुक सिगरेट चवान अथ सह लुक जॉब ना वजह बिजनेस ना वजह वंदस मज कारोबार ना बजाय अक्सी जाए रूजित यमन अमि सतन स्ट्रेस त बढ़ान यून जरिए माश कम गसान यह जरूरियात कम गसान कहें बचन हज एजुकेशन बाकी जिंदगी हंद लवाजमात फैमिली हंद लवाजमात यम पन्ने जाए रोजान तिथे पे कम गसान कह मगर स्ट्रेस अम्स हवाल बढ़ान यम जन अदरवाइज हालात मज दशिन खोवर चाहे कोरोना के इन्फेक्शन सफ लेट या अदरवाइज तन सरसी दुनिया मज वह माहौल स्ट्रेस रिलेटेड यह ज्यादा पहन इफेक्ट करान अल्टीमेट रिजल्ट गसान कि नून चाय चवान ज्यादा कैसा खेमो तथ मज नून काफ़ी हक सिन खेमो तिमन मज नून काफ़ी ज्यादा चूंकि इंडोर लाइफ सो ज्यादा अंदर कनी बेहान, we don't get exposure to the sunlight, vitamin D deficiency गसान, stress वजात खुद पन्नी जाए बढ़ान, अक्सर age related hypertension आसान, and एक्सी जाए बिहेत hypertension आसान सहित खावान चवान sedentary life आसान सहित सोन वजन ते बढ़ान. We go to pre-diabetic to diabetic level, so blood sugars alter गसान. All these things compound. S with salt, S for sugar, S for smoking, S for stress, and S with sedentary lifestyle. Yim panchway S combine karan, timan wajhan kun yitin zan coronary artery disease jad se gasan, atherosclerosis jad se gasan. Diabetes, the hypertension is compound karan ye problem, and stroke incidence jad gasan. This point Dr. Yusuf Saban wani won, Dr. Maqbool Saban won, even stroke his incidence increases on Athwandas must. Morning hours, certain physical activity, guys, the BP shoots up, a plaque, an atherosclerotic plaque anywhere gives way, it gets disrupted, and a chain of events starts where thrombosis set in. And as the thrombosis sets in, so a coronary event is there, which in itself can lead to a death. Agar a massive heart attack go, it can itself cause death. Death because of either ventricular fibrillation or tachycardia, or because of other arrhythmias, or as a massive myocardial infarction leading to loss of function of that particular portion of muscle. With the result ki ejection fraction shun to the rozon ke, cardiac activation is effective perfusion shun, the brain suffers maximum insult, one collapses, maybe even peripheries, toes suffer in the cold. Diabetes, so all these things lead to diabetic foot, the peripheral vascular disease, coronary events, strokes, and so on and so forth. So all these things in winter, food habits, lifestyle, stress, everything adds to an insult which either attacks heart, brain, or any other organ, even kidneys, liver. Nothing is spared. This is where we need to focus on. I suppose through the medium of the various print or electronic sources, timan educate karun ze vandas maz agar his physical activities mahdud gasan, magar even indoors they can be physically active. Exercise zaruri bhi hun ke kamras maz thod bahut aur chakar karun, kamras maz hai ki insan study kare, table the, chair the, office kam kare ta, kamras maz hai ki insan khan chanas sitan panin tim baki lawazmat zarur pur kare imsan tamis im khatat maz bazar gasun chu. Aajkal cho online shopping chalan, yim te sain matlab yim lawazmat zaruri shasan tim cha gar wata, tam sit te hutun sain sedentary lifestyle na matlab gasun zyada deteriorate. Ashi gaadi din istemal karan, bremis waqtas maz paidal pakan, ya cycles kasan, ya tangas kasan, tat das kenat ken physical activity. Aaj jasan gaadi shasan but sophisticated, shasan fully loaded gaadi, tat mashan ki pewan zorat accident gasnas chances of the safety protocols. The point I want to convey is our life has become very much comfortable and we don't physical activity as is required of a human body. With all these things coming together, the picture gets compounded.
शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब यितकन जन तय फरमो कि डाइट छु अक वारिया अहम प्रेडिक्टर सान सेहतुक तो सानन खेन चेन क्यों आदातों से छु तुम कंडीशंस पद गसान यमो से रिस्क फैक्टर छु बनान दिल चेन बीमारियन खतर मसलन डायबिटीज छु हाइपरटेंशन छु या ओबेसिटी छु इन जनरल. तो अगर इस रिस्क फैक्टर हंसी कत करो तो कि तिथ रिस्क फैक्टर आसान यम न बदलत हेको मगर कि वारिया रिस्क फैक्टर छु यति आसान यम मॉडिफायबल छु आसान यमन पेट सोन कंट्रोल मुमकिन छु आसान. तो डॉक्टर कंजवाल ब्रोह डिस्कस करा कि कोविड की लॉकडाउन सत या इनफैक्ट कशीर मज पतम्यो दोयो वरियो पे लॉकडाउन तकरीबन तो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कम गमत वारिया लुक घरों पे ऑफिस काम करान वारिया लुको त्रोव मॉर्निंग वॉक करन तो वंद सच इन जनरल वारिया एक्टिविटी कम गसान. तो डॉक्टर कंजवाल अगर तुई अस वनियो कि सोन लाइफस्टाइल स्पेशली सोन सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल कित पर्च अक रिस्क फैक्टर बनान युस जन यत प्रॉब्लम कंपाउंड छ करान या बढ़ावान छ. तो अथी सत बस ब्याह का सवाल तो करुन कि क्या कोविड वायरस छा डायरेक्टली सडन कार्डियक डेथ अक कॉज है का असत अच्छा पानविन का रिलेशन कोविड से है क्या सडन कार्डियक डेथ गसत.
Yeah, thank you. That's a good question. If it ahangar sabun but detail mazin ke sedentary lifestyle ke thode change over the years in Kashmir. He's absolutely right. As makletum sari adat, you must grow his kara. Khaskar even government everybody has a car thanks to JK Bank. And Tim said I smoke sorry yes karan is bro. Mehnat is karan, mashakat is karan, baki cheez is karan. Sorry. Sedentary lifestyle itself should risk factor. Sedentary lifestyle should risk factor for diabetes. Sedentary risk factor to risk for hypertension, obesity. So, if you sorry combine risk factors, you will see that baki cardiac problems gasan. Imsal sedentary lifestyle go kaise wazan kotus im baki high cholesterol kotya baki cheez pe tim satin pe timan asar tin sehat is obviously timan gets problems gasan heart attack gasan and obviously sudden cardiac death itself. Agar obesity gasan chi kaise timan chi gasan baki cheez obesity said they'll have sleep apnea. Yes, basically, which is very well known in Kashmir also because both various question like look at arms with both in Punjab and sleep apnea kya karan che. Sleep apnea se tin hakat tum lungs problem is tim se tim kasan pulmonary hypertension, the pressure is lungs among kasan suj kasan zyada tim hakan arrhythmias gese tim hek satin sudden death gese. The sedentary lifestyle certain varia musibat am question weakness kyaze ago lockdown go to COVID yes me uno double whammy baki use question to covid certain chagas and sudden cardiac death absolutely. I mean agar tu which covid ch immediately karan heart is involved ya happen delayed effects gese covid ch this no bemar we are just learning actually I should win varia studies gasan baki cheez gasan we are just actually learning as it is ravaging the whole world. Immediately hektiman gets they can actually get direct involvement of the COVID virus chu atmas ki proteins directly involve current myocardial cell. So they go in the cell and destroy it gasan myocardial damage. It can induce what we call a systemic inflammatory response. So, in certainty, systemic zabardast reaction, or you may call it they develop kind of a tremendous immune reaction to the virus. In certainty, this is toxic to the myocardium itself. That's myocarditis. The immediate effect. The delayed effect should cause Timan patient and Kama gets a caution, Bachos meos mild COVID, mission problem. In fact, there are recent studies, I think it came in JAMA Cardiology a few months ago, that even those patients, bilkul heart mamuli COVID go in the long term, what happened is they did their MRI. The MRI is takriban 60% asymptomatic, mildly symptomatic, inflammation heart. Incidentally, I have an example of a young lady who's recently with atrial flutter. I don't see atrial flutter in 32-year-old, particularly women. Timisus got incessant flutterosis. She was cardioverted, so finally she came for ablation. On ablation, system, we can actually find the scar things, damage to his heart. I was kind of astonished to see the amount of scar this young lady was gomut heart. So she's actually gone for MRI. We don't have the results. The COVID is one of the worst diseases one can have. And I'm so disgusted and shocked to see that my own family members in Kashmir are not taking it very seriously, not to speak of other people. COVID, I don't think God could have punished us with even worse virus ever. It's worse than Ebola, worse than possibly HIV. Now we got a lot of good drugs for HIV and all that. Whenever I talk, people tell me, mask social distancing. Even if you guys get vaccine, which I hope everybody gets it, the social distancing and masks are extremely important. The long-term effect one, I do not know how many people will have it. cardiomyopathy, which is again a death sentence for a patient. Your Dr. Angres or Dr. Mabul Saban, John illustrated. So they get heart failure. So we're having people, human arrhythmia gasanche, human ventricular tachycardia gasanche because of the scar, human atrial fibrillation, atrial flutter gasanche, tim certain human stroke gasan, human bicharin chasa already they are at a very high risk of developing thrombosis stroke, blood clot is vananche. On top of it, they get strokes because atrial fibrillation guy, tim certain human gasan stroke. And the long-term need of blood thinners came, and then the side effects of those blood thinners as well. So lung gasan obviously primary the lung gasan involved, shishnor gasan involved, becha heart gasan involved. Because even the shuni organ and muscle, touches on angiotensin receptor, those receptors, ACR2, number not 1, 2. Basically these. The COVID is but specifically bind to that receptor. And Shishnor the Bay heart is Timundunwini munch actually why Gatana basically it affects those two organs. So again, to end it, COVID is a very bad disease, particularly involving the heart and lungs, and then obviously the other organs as well. The Mishwasan, for God's sake, take it very seriously. Because you want to prevent the long-term effects. We still, I shouldn't win to because I personally feel that COVID itself will be kind of a medicine itself, like there will be COVID cardiology, COVID pulmonary medicine, COVID neurology, COVID pediatrics, because this disease is still evolving. I hope and pray to God and pray for all of you guys there. Please be safe.
I would just like to add to this effect of COVID on heart. Usually COVID is inflammatory disease. Usually sayan heart and ragan maz ye charbi asan chi yadzen atherosclerosis manan chi ye inflammatory disease. You see COVID viral infection chu ye atherosclerosis unstable karan. Ak nafar pneumonis yemis heart and ragan maz thop chu magar ye thop chu stable. Emis 30%, 40% thop ya 50% thop chu emis. Aschi Usually ye thop chu asan ach zı cheez asan ak chu core asan be chu asan cap ak. Yus ye core chu at maz chu asan lipid ye cholesterol. Bet chu at cap asan yus ye cap chi fibrous tissues asan. Ye cap heki unstable te asit heki stable te asit. Usually ye COVID chu inflammatory disease chu ye chu at cap unstable karan. Ye at usually plaque chu at maz chu ye inflammatory response increase karan. Yem siten ye plaque usually ye charbi at jama chi unstable gasan ti phatan. So ye ek type of heart attack using COVID karan. Using COVID and increase core. The image incidence which has in reality we have seen that COVID causes it. Byak type of heart attack is type 2 MI vanan. Ak nafar chi yemis 7% blockage, 90% blockage. Magar ichi stable asan. Emis kya chu gasan yusan ye COVID chi lungs involve karan. Ye lungs involve karna se chi sanis khoonas maz oxygen level variyah kam gasan. But because of being an inflammatory disease, upar chi metabolic rate badawan, heart ich demand cha oxygen chi increase gasan. Ye fever asan, emis infection asan chalan, heart rate chi badan, heart ich oxygen demand chi increase gasan. So zı cheez chi gasan, ak chi gasan aisi oxygen level khoonas maz kam. Dayim kin chi heart is oxygen demand chi badan. So there is a supply balance, supply and demand mismatch chu gasan. Yem siten aki type of heart attack is type 2 MI vanan. Ye wuch variyah common is. One panan SMHS hospital. This we have seen very common in COVID. That patients with COVID and they develop chest pain in the middle of the COVID. They develop chest pain, they develop STT changes, and then once we do their angios, they have very tight blockages and need to be treated. या तिमन च तम साथ पेवान sometimes we have to thrombolize them also because they are in very bad shape. Treyim cheese is COVID asmas which has complete heart block, incidence of complete heart block iti gay up, and we have seen few patients timan reverse go. Once their COVID imsat timan improve go, complete heart block go reverse. Surim cheese which has pericardial effusion, massive pericardial effusions, and we have drained many patients. They developed cardiac tamponade go yaman. Pericardial effusion go yazan ye heart is covering, heart is Indian covering asa atmos aab jama gasa. The ये आब जमा कुन सात गसान यूता या गसान रैपिडली जमा या वारिया ज्यादा जमा गसान यम सहित हार्टस प्रेस पेवान हार्ट छुन प्रॉपरली हेकान फिल गसित कहिन तो ब्लड ते छुन पंप हेकान करित कहिन यम सहित नफर कोलैप्स हेकि गसित डेथ ते हेकि गसित अगर ने ये आब जल्दी रिमूव करो ये इंसिडेंस ते वुछ अस वारिया ज्यादा कोविडस मस पूंचम अख चीज जुस वारिया ज्यादा वुछ अस पल्मोनरी एम्बोलिज्म्स COVID is a prothrombotic state. Prothrombotic state is Kanjwal Saban already won ke atmas blood clot banne ch body mas shamata asan chi variya zyada asan. Ya to ban ye clot zangan mas to khoon ki dor ke wajah se heki hor flow gasit ya to chi ye de novo kashir pe man pata अंग्रेजी पे man de novo पाने pulmonary artery yos ak artery ch heart pe wasan right side heart pe यस सैनिस लंगस ब्लड सप्लाई करान दशवनी साइड अगर अथ मज क्लॉट बन मेजर बोड क्लॉट बन जन सरसी लंगस ब्लड सप्लाई बंद कर अमिस नफरस हेकि सडन डेथ ग सो यम कह चीज यम जन इन एडिशन कोविड यम कोविडन कर हार्ट अटैक्स पेरिकार्डियल इफ्यूजन कंप्लीट हार्ट ब्लॉक या पल्मोनरी एम्बोलिज्म यम सडन डेथ गसन खतर वारिया ज्यादा गसान.
Babu Sahab, you're right. You rightly said all these things. I should tell in your mind as much as you should very khatarnak disease in the sense that you should inflammation karan surgery body mas. Yim to baki cheese when you take heart attacks, pulmonary embolism and all that. Tum should the side effects of that systemic inflammation.
Absolutely sure. Absolutely sir.
Is that people, unfortunately, people are not taking it very serious. Ashchan pathai ki yum asymptomatic carriers ya mild symptomatic timan kya bani which because you shouldn't evolve gasan. Your science shouldn't evolve gasan. Every day you get these studies, every day you get new publications, and we really do not know where we are heading to.
Absolutely sir.
But
just one thing sir. 1 week back ak hafta bro which me ak young patient is just 20 years old. And manish me so dam gasan shortness of breath, just shortness of breath, and I did his echo. His ejection fraction was around 35%. I thought ki probably he has had some viral infection or anything, maybe he already had it. Incidentally, I did his COVID. He had no other symptom at all. He never developed a fever, he never had a cough, he never had any systemic response, and he was COVID positive. This is how it comes. This is a very varied. It can come as a varied presentation. Anything. It can come as anything.
बिल्कुल डॉक्टर साहिबान डॉक्टर कंजवाल डॉक्टर मकबूल वारिया comprehensive view दितु तय COVID COVID related बेच बड़ alarming in a sense क्या कशीर में बिल्कुल ये underestimate गसान. That is very important question very seriously गौर फिक्र करूँ कि ऐसे माय पज इतने हालातन मज अपन पान कोविड के ज़्यादा मज बचाने कोशिश करूँ. डॉक्टर साहब डॉक्टर मकबूल साहब अगर तुम अत बह गुजारिश करूँ कि तुम जेनेटिक फैक्टर्स मतलब तमो सकान कार्डियक इश्यूज तिमन पे अगर तुम थोड़ा तबसर करो कि तम आय कह सिंड्रोम्स या कार्डियोमायोपैथी जो तुम वन डॉक्टर कंजवाल साहब वन तान तो तम यमो सडन डेथ गि या फॉर एग्जांपल तुम अकिस वीडियोस मे वुचमुत तुम तथ वन यम फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स प्लेयर्स मरान फील्डस मज तिमन लेटर ऑन डेवलप पता कर्मित कि इन कह स्पेशल जेनेटिक फैक्टर अंडरलाइन.
as far as genetic diseases is concerned, actually don't type of genetic disease asan. Autosomal dominant bananes, they miss bananes autosomal recessive. Autosomal dominant must asan usually parent involved emis disease asan. Autosomal recessive must parents them involve asan kihin. Magar tim carriers asan, even gene and abnormal gene. Usually consanguineous marriages usually autosomal dominant disease human must gasan kya. Human must autosomal recessive diseases gasan. The autosomal recessive diseases human heart related asan che. Human must human consanguineous marriage and must him gasan che. Must atrial septal defect, ventricular septal defect, ya pulmonary stenosis commonly hakan gachet. Magar usually related to sudden death asan kya. What is important to our topic, related to our topic is autosomal dominant heart diseases. Yimzan inheritance asan che, yimzan autosomal with autosomal dominant inheritance asan che. Human most important diseases, number is hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, which is responsible for a great number of sudden cardiac deaths. Dayim chi arrhythmogenic right ventricular dysplasia, yathis manan chi ARVD. मैं वन तो ये हाइपरट्रॉफिक कार्डियोमायोपैथी आत्मज वन में ऑलरेडी तो है कि आत्मज हार्ट मसल मोटान ये है कि हार्ट अख हिस्से मोटित ये है कि सोरी हार्ट ते मोटित मगर इज एन अल्टीमेट कॉज ऑफ सडन डेथ आसान छ आत्मज इलेक्ट्रिकल डिसएरे गसान ये हार्टस में इलेक्ट्रिकल एबनॉर्मलिटीज गसान एमिस मरीजस है कि वेंट्रिकुलर फिब्रिलेशन या वेंट्रिकुलर टैकीकार्डिया गछित एंड ही कैन हैव अ सडन डेथ ये सडन डेथ है कि एमिस गछित ड्यूरिंग स्लीप ये है कि ड्यूरिंग रेस्ट गछित ये है कि ड्यूरिंग एक्सर्शन ते गछित. But of late, bud study guy Italy maz yes, most of sudden deaths gasan at rest. So probably exercise exercise sign catecholamine levels badawan. Probably she tamshid gasan precipitate arrhythmia, but I will say here ki atmas kares bilkul wise Muhtaram Kanjwal sir, who is a world authority on this. Second is disease one में arrhythmogenic right ventricular dysplasia. Ye ak time kismish bemar. Yath maz yus ye dachin side heart ko asan chu yath right ventricle wanan chis amik yus muscle cha asan mass cha asan ye should replace gasan by fibrous or fatty tissue amis sit usually replacement at gasan cha at heart kis muscles with fibrous and fatty tissue at must electrical disarray gasan yiman tishi yimai abnormalities gasan yiman tishi ventricular tachycardia ya ventricular fibrillation gasan and they can die suddenly. Biakak disease yatsani autosomal dominant inheritance is familial DCM. Ish ak board junk. Ish DCM lagbag 8% of the junk ch familial DCM. Bonota ak story ak yimsad DMOs karan sorry. Asias ak family. Ya ay bosses got registrarship karan dodas various. Tampat kor mein 3 variant DM. It started during my registrarship. Ya ay female ak ay got lakad bachi ak wuh varish punsu varish. Emis was DCM, emis esim baki garik birds es, emis seri palzan. Boy, biak boy, mole. Ultimately, my she had a refractory heart failure go emis yimoy. I'm pat emis palzanos na boy ak. I'm pat go emis go involve. Itimud sobre senis during my tenure. I'm pat go base itimud. So three death. Each familiar yemanos familial DCM. But unfortunately, Tamsatos era youth ki hakan device use karit ya heart failure treatment advanced. Probably maybe isma hakau timan kiya karit agar winkes kis waqtas maz asan or we could have prolonged their lifespan. So yish ak biak ak. Dayim yimzan che timchi electrical abnormalities. Yath mutalik buman bey ki Kanjwal sab hekes wise banavit, he's a world authority on this. Yath maz Brugada syndrome chak, atmas tish electrical abnormalities gasan. Long QT syndrome ch byak, short QT syndrome ch byak, idiopathic ventricular fibrillation chak, atrial fibrillation chak cause. Yimzan yim cheese yim ch sari sudden deaths hakan karit. Yim one me yim ch channelopathies asan, as ch mukhtalif qismich channel asan heartas mus. Yim se zan electrical abnormalities gasan che. The ultimate cause ch ventricular fibrillation ya ventricular tachycardia. Yath mas heart abnormally beat karan ch. Magar ye shouldn't hakan blood pump karit outside kihin ich sari kaishir padmante tu heart chu thar thar asan karan magar effective pumping shan asan kihin te me won tai rodai ye ki agar sanis brainus 1 second blood supply band gasi ye nafar gasi behosh अगर 3 मिनटन गस ब्लड सप्लाई बंद अमिस हेक इरिवर्सिबल डैमेज गसित अगर ये नफर अमिस 9-10 मिनटन रोज ब्लड सप्लाई ब्रेनस बंद अम पत अम सुन सर्वाइवल आसान मुश्किल.
शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब.
Can I just comment a little bit?
Yes.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर.
You discussed it very well. Asal put karo tay bayan na causes kya shi gasan. Sudden death, you know, is mostly it applies to young people. Agar tu wuchu young sudden death in America is number one cause to that hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. That's exactly right. Agar tu wuchu across the pond, across the Atlantic, in Italy, you'll see that arrhythmia, ARVC, you know, that's very common. Which I already described eloquently. Sudden death, actually, unfortunately, we cannot diagnose. ECGS we know that what the findings are. But ultimately, last time, again, maybe Angar Saab can actually help us in that, to make awareness of people in Kashmir, type of mazhabi rahnama ya baki local leaders, mahal committee, doctors, maybe even some politicians, frankly speaking. Agar tim fatwa dehan to do a limited autopsy of these people. I'm not talking about Salman Shukar Qadr Mordas. I understand that. But you know, time has come, we need to find agar discussion we can wadan hai lakdi bai chumana ki kashir man ashin bilkul patay laga ki kya dalil across agar tu Chandigarh gachu tides kala dinon ta advertise ki tis kala tim dinon ta likhit ke hai zaruri autopsy kare agar some mood patient. The result was the best studies of post-mortem autopsy studies have come from Chandigarh. Utrecht balai sindota studies and Magar ashim bachu mara ashim patay lagai man cha hypertrophic cardiomyopathy cha brigade hakun tatmas vishit kiyen, but we can do channelopathic studies. Agar ECG timanda aise bronch family history cha timan kya cha. I think the time has come as by the zaruri limited autopsy. What I'm talking limited, just take the heart out and maybe take the brain out. That's it. Ashina se mutilated body current surgery kiyen. I'm a very big proponent of that. I know that we need to do that. And I hope and pray people like Ahangar Saab will come to the forefront and talk to people. Otherwise, Magul 7 did the description side, the condition of it. Condition, yeah. If the Hannes must put so a student wants a condition cash, sudden cardiac death, and the people will continue to die. I think the time has come, we need to really implement autopsy in Kashmir. And I'm a big proponent of that. And I'm going to ask Ahangar Saab to comment on
that. Dr. Yusuf Saab, I happen to be from the same school as Dr. Yusuf Saab from PGI Chandigarh. We both trained from that same institution. In fact, Dr. Yusuf Saab was Naranta Batsas PGI Chandigarh. And Dr. Yusuf Saab has been a model and a role model, I will say, for me and many students in Government Medical College Srinagar and then in PGI Chandigarh for me also. The point I want to convey, the fact remains in PGI Chandigarh, clinico-pathological meetings are a regular feature where pathology is of paramount importance. And autopsies are a ultimate thing where we come to know what exactly happened with a particular organ or a dead body. The same has never happened in Kashmir. We have never, autopsies are a no phenomenon in Kashmir. It has never picked up. It has never been done. Even Dr. Yusuf Saab can propound that even if a particular organ, say heart, say brain, or kidneys or liver, if we could harvest and then see what exactly was the cause of death vis-a-vis the particular organ, we could make a lot of breakthrough studies. But making these breakthrough studies is only possible by breaking the ice first. Yatmazan, he particularly made a mention of the religious scholars and Imzan Mohal Committee in Presidency, Masjid Committee in Presidency, تِمن ہُنٛد رول چھُنہٕ تیوٗتاہ کینٛہہ یوٗتاہ زن اَتھ منٛز یِم زن بٔڑۍ بٔڑۍ سکالٲرٕس چھِ یِم زن بڑٮ۪ن بڑٮ۪ن تبلیٖغن منٛز بڑٮ۪ن بڑٮ۪ن اجتماعن منٛز بڑٮ۪ن بڑٮ۪ن یِمن سچن یِم زن انسٹِٹیوشنز چھِ ریلجس انسٹِٹیوشنز ییٚتہِ واریاہ بچہِ نیران چھِ پٔرِتھ لیکھِتھ تہٕ اگر تتھ لیولہِ پٮ۪ٹھ انٹروینشن گژھِ اگر تتھ لیولہِ پٮ۪ٹھ لُکن منٛز اکھ شعوٗر اکھ پٲدٕ گژھِ کہ تِم نِن نہٕ یہِ اینٹی اسلام یا اینٹی ریلِجن یہِ پٔرٹِکیولر سٹیپ یتھ منٛز تِم سونچن کہِ اتھ منٛز چھُ انسٲنیتُکٕے فٲیدٕ الٹِمیٹلی yes it can be a very good program and I will wholeheartedly support it.
That's very good.
شکریہ ڈاکٹر صاحب in fact
بہٕ وَنہٕ اکھ کتھ یۄس زن وٕنکیٚس یوٗتھ اسہِ کٔشیٖرِ منٛز چھُ سانہِ کٔشیٖرِ منٛز چھُ ڈرگ ابیوٗز ریمپنٹ گوٚمُت واریاہ ریمپنٹ although اَسہِ چھِ پتہ یہِ کہِ یُس زن ہارٹ اٹیک اِن ینگ چھُ اتھ کیاہ کازز چھِ اگر أسۍ وٕنکیٚس تہِ وٕچھو اکھ بٔڑ میو کلنکٕچ سٹڈی چھِ یتھ أسۍ فالو کران چھِ سورُے دُنیا فالو کران چھِ وٕنکیٚس ییٚلہِ وٕچھان چھِ أسۍ اگر ہارٹ اٹیک اِن ینگ وٕچھان چھِ أسۍ یہِ چھِ أسۍ یوٗجؤلی ڈسکرایب کران اگر کٲنٛسہِ نفرس 50 وٕہٕرۍ کم یا 40 وٕہٕرۍ کم ہارٹ اٹیک گژھِ یِمن منٛز چھِ جناب علی 60% ہارٹ اٹیکس یِم آسان چھِ یِم چھِ گژھان امے ایتھروسکلیروٹک پلاک کہِ رپچر کہِ وجہ سۭتۍ یُس زن مےٚ ووٚن یُس یہِ چربی ہارٹ چہِ رگہِ منٛز چھِ آسان یہِ چھِ پھٹان پتہٕ چھِ کینٛہہ بیٚیہِ آسان کینٛہہ 20% نفرن منٛز چھِ کینٛہہ ڈفرنٹ کازز آسان یتھ منٛز کارنری سپیزم چھِ یا تھرومبوفِلک ڈسآرڈٲرٕس چھِ یا مایوکارڈایٹس چھُ گژھان یا سپونٹینیس کارنری آرٹری ڈِسیکشن یِم چھِ ڈفرنٹ کازز مگر ڈرگ ابیوٗز چھُ اکھ واریاہ امپارٹنٹ کاز تہٕ خاص کر سانہِ کٔشیٖرِ منٛز یُس زن یہِ سڈن ڈیتھ اسہِ فِکرے تران چھِ اکھ چیٖز چھُ اسہِ یُس اسہِ واریاہ کال ووت سونچان أسۍ چھِ پانہٕ ؤنۍ تہِ کارڈیالجسٹ ڈسکس آسان کران کہِ ٲخٕر کار گوٚو کیاہ یہِ چھِ أسۍ وٕچھان أسۍ چھِ وٕنکیٚس وٕچھان یہِ although بہٕ وَنہٕ اکھ چیٖز گۄڈٕنیتھ کہِ سموکِنگ یۄس چھِ سموکِنگ چھِ واریاہ امپارٹنٹ أسۍ یِم وٕنکیٚس ہسپتالس منٛز یِم ینگ ہارٹ اٹیکس یِوان چھِ 40 وٕہٕرۍ آسان یا 50 وٕہٕرۍ آسان چھِ یِمن منٛز چھِ 60% لُکھ سموکٲرٕس آسان چاہے تِمن تھرومبولِسِس گژھِ أسۍ کلاٹ ڈِزالوِنگ ڈرگ دِمو یا تِمن پرایمری اینجیوپلاسٹی کرو یِم چھِ سموکر آسان سو سموکِنگ از اے بِگ مِنیس یہِ چھُ اکھ نمبر 2 یُس زن یِم ڈیتھ یِم نہٕ ہسپتالے واتان چھِ یِم ہٮ۪کن اوبویسلی ہارٹ اٹیک تہِ ٲسِتھ یہِ کرو نہٕ أسۍ ڈِناے کینٛہہ مگر ہیٖرویِن ابیوٗز یُس ییٚتہِ واریاہ کامن گوٚمُت چھُ یُس یہِ ہیٖرویِن اوور ڈوز چھُ ہیٖرویِن اوور ڈوز چھُ کران سڈن ڈیتھ یہِ ہیٚکہِ أمِس نفرس وتہِ مٲرِتھ یہِ ہیٚکہِ أمِس ہسپتال واتنہٕ برونٛہٕے مٲرِتھ یہِ ہیٚکہِ أمِس ہسپتال وٲتتھٕے 2-3 مِنٹن منٛز مٲرِتھ یہِ چھُ واریاہ امپارٹنٹ کاز یتھ پٮ۪ٹھ اسہِ واریاہ غورٕ فِکر پزِ کرُن سٲنِس گورمنٹس تہِ اسہِ تہِ یہِ چھُ واریاہ ریمپنٹ سانٮ۪ن جوانن منٛز.
Mahbul Saab, basically, I wanted to actually take it in a different, maybe later in the program we could have discussed that, but you brought it up. Issue very important. Just like some musibat komut weakness. Frankly speaking, there are some of my family members, little young kids who have been affected by this problem. All the sudden deaths are not related to heroin abuse because there are a lot of other people also, even baki structural diseases, to have some kind of a limited autopsy. You say menace to drug abuse, unfortunately, that is going to consume our youth. That is going to destroy our future. And honestly, Kashmir is sleeping on a volcano. As you rightly pointed out, drug abuse is going to be the #1 menace in the. Whatever will happen to Kashmir politically, I really don't know. I hope something good turns out. But this drug abuse is going to kill us. This drug abuse has destroyed the families. There are many problems with this. Number 1, there is a sense of sense of not agreeing, not saying that there is a problem. There is a refusal. I'll give an example of parents. Parents do not agree that their kids have got drug problem. Drug abuse. So what they do, they enable it. They actually let this kid do whatever they want to do. I have an example of one of my family members. Again, I'm going to quote. One of the family members told the other guy, hey, your kid is having problem of addiction of drugs. And interesting thing is, the guy who said that, And the guy was ultimately in rehab. They had to take him out somewhere. What I'm telling you, Malis Majid should assess recognize problem. Number 2, the lack of rehabilitation facilities in Kashmir. Now, Anger Servic me when it Magul center chassis, Yeti Simon Bicharam Bachan Thoda Mother Hako period. The psychiatric evaluation of these people. I have a friend, Mustaq Margusa, we should hear the horrific stories from him. Now, we have to do something about it. Our youth are being killed by this unknown enemy. The khata is with us. It is really, to be honest, COVID will come, COVID will go, but the drug menace in Kashmir is going to be forever. I hope and pray that people will rise up, people will go against it, whatever it takes to do to save these young kids. Can you imagine people eating shoe polish to get satisfaction? They put it on the toast and eat it. I have found when I used to go to Sopor, I would find these kids lying in the ditches. I mean, that was pathetic. So you are absolutely right. The drug menace in Kashmir, and that is possibly one of the reasons that some of these people die sudden. And because we don't have naloxone here, I mean, now America, what we have given it to police, we have given it to churches and other places. Whenever they find somebody just gone down, they just give him naloxone. He wakes up. I shouldn't have facilities at Kiev. We have no rehabilitation facilities. We have no psychiatric facilities. We have left these kids to die, and we need to do something. It is such an important thing, believe me. And if you guys need some help from us, there are so many of us we can help you monetarily, establishing those de-addiction clinics, but somebody has to build the cat. Thank you, Magbul Saab, for bringing this up.
Dr. Yusuf Saab, may I take it a little further?
Yes.
Yeah. We are talking of the drug abuse, and Dr. Magbul Saab, yourself, and I will share the same concerns, be it cannabis, be it brown sugar, be it heroin, be it, as I said earlier, spasm proximol, be it the cough, syrups, be it anti-anxiety drugs and shoe polish or whatever, varnish for that matter, or inhalational agents. This has become, as rightly said, a big menace. And the worst thing is, more and more of the youth have resorted to injectable drugs. I have operated a number of patients who lost their toes, digits, limbs, or hands because of the drug, injectable drugs. I have operated a number of patients who developed, endocarditis, who developed valvular pathologies because of that. And you and me and the cardiology colleagues on the other side of the surgical fence have evaluated a good number of these patients, and ultimately they have landed in with open heart surgery. The fact remains, they not only lose organs and the digits or the limbs or the parts of them, nothing has stopped the youth in venturing into these unfortunate and very sad moments. I don't know how to stop it and where to stop it, but it is increasing exponentially. And it is so sad to see, as you rightly described it. I would suggest, I don't want to blame anybody, but it has to go to us. If I raise a finger on you, I'm pointing 4 more towards me, myself. I think the people who are well-to-do, who can afford, who are in a position to invest in the business sector, in the industry sector, in Kashmir, they should come forward. They should not look for Tatas, Birlas, and Danis, and Ambanis, that they will come and invest in Kashmir. If people invest in Kashmir, the local ones, and create more job opportunities, I think a lot of youth will stay engaged in their jobs. They'll stay in learning, they'll stay in earning, they'll stay in looking after themselves and the society. Probably a good chunk of will get demotivated from going to the drugs. They will probably not go to that line at all, number one. Number two, there are some de-addiction centers. We have one in SMHS Hospital, which has come in 2015, which is totally free. We have some de-addiction center in psychiatry hospital. We have some de-addiction center in police hospital also. There are 3 as on date. We do not have any such in the institution because ours is primarily a tertiary care center. So the preventive pathologies, the preventive measures, and all of the such counseling centers do exist in Kashmir. But as you rightly said, the parents are either hiding the fact that their children are suffering from the drug abuse, or they do not want to let it be known, or they don't accept the reality, or they don't keep an eye. I think prime responsibility is of the parents. They must keep a constant vigil. They must ask their child, what are you doing? What have you been doing for the day in the school? What was your day like? If we give them, I said in one of my important meetings, one of the public addresses, that parents give children today the pocket money. They don't take an account of it. And that pocket money they save, they keep on preserving it and go into the wrong side of it. They purchase drugs, they get syringes, they share syringes, they share the platforms where they use the drugs, and that's how it keeps on increasing. The front circle keeps on increasing, the circle goes on widening, and the menace continues. There is no end to it. This is a continuous cycle. We need to break it somewhere. And the first responsibility lies with parents. The first responsibility lies the brothers and the sisters who just get an idea that probably this child probably is deviating from the main path. The first parent, the first brother or sister in the vicinity, or a friend, if there's a genuine friend, if there's a real friend who really is sincere, he must come to the rescue of the person who got led astray and has gone to the drugs. The friend, the family, and everybody else, or the teachers, they all have an important role. So do we as professionals. But we all need to contribute together. Then only we can achieve 100% success.
सही फरमाओ तो डॉक्टर साहब वारिया कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव डिस्कशन गो इसमें बासान ड्रग्स रिलेटेड मैं बासान अक पॉइंट रू दस छुस बि यसान यत कवर करन यम ऑफ कोर्स यम नार्कोटिक ड्रग्स छु बे स्मोकिंग छु अक बोड अक मेंस तो ऑफ कोर्स अत छु कनत कमत काडिन तो अलबत यम वगर छु ड्रग्स फॉर एग्जांपल यम बकन दवान छु इस्तेमाल गसन से फॉर एग्जांपल कशीर में छु फर्टिलिटी अक बोड मसला अत खतर छु दिवान आयुर्वेदिक अश्वगंधा वगैरह यहाँ बच्चे करान इस्तेमाल बॉडी बूस्टर्स यो स्टेरॉइड्स खेमन इमन छन आसन इमन दवान छन वारिन आसन स्टडी तन गमत असल पट के कि क्या अफेक्ट करान बकिन पार्टन बॉडी हिंद मिसाल बीपी कुछ साल अचानक रेस गसान कुछ चीज से तो तचा बस इमो इथो ड्रग्स सो हेक आसित अक इंपैक्ट पेमुत ये हार्ट रेट वगैरह ऐसे हार्ट अटैक्स इंक्रीज देता है Dr.
Kanjwal, all these other alternative medicines, so-called, or alternative medications, or alternative drugs, or herbals and other things, I don't know, world has been taken over by people with wrong idea, with wrong, notions without any basis. Today, in the modern scientific world, where everything is reproducible on the basis of research and other things, the allopathic mode of treatment has the only scientific data with it to prove or disprove it, the efficacy or the side effect. All other drugs, the crude parts, be it Ayurveda, be it whatever herbal preparations, I don't know why this campaign has gone so wild and so heavy that this is without side effects. All those non-allopathic medications are raw extracts which have all the disastrous consequences. And I think people need to understand that they are destroying themselves. They're taking a lot of material which does not have any scientific basis, which does not have any scientific background. And this is one of the worst things to have.
I think, Angad Sahab, you're absolutely right. Which is why I say expert amongst here, Ijaz Sahab. Magar Akshi Sahab go win it. I can just reiterate what Dr. Angad said. Mostly the allopathic medicine.
Dr. Saab गुजारिश में ऐस कराओ डिस्कशन कंटिन्यू कशीर में क्या कमेंट्स यहाँ बन की कशीर में कशीर पढ़ी करी काट में हरबिनी इस ऑडियंस को क्वेश्चन
तो मैं मतलब छु कि डॉक्टर Angad Sahab ने वो ना बिल्कुल ठीक you say allopathic medicine छु अच्छी research यहाँ करना I'm not against उसमें खिलाफ homeopathy कहीं मगर आखिर छु I don't know तक मुझ कुछ study कुछ scientific research आंस कर personally अगर तू वही म्योन क्या बन अगर मैं पानुन ऐसे रिश्तेदार है क्या खान दोस्त है तो मैं क्या बन Angad Sahab को वन allopathic medicine के Actually, we can assume thoda bahut central government is kind of karan thoda bahut push the Unani or the non-allopathic medicine. Agar I'm sorry, मैं मसलन audiences में आसन कि तिमन नफर please बिस्मिल गसान तिमन offend करण हस के मगर actually there are a lot of nobody knows what it contains. That must charm scientific study करना. तो इमाश harmful body पे अगर ऐसे तिम इस्तेमाल करो. But I'll have the anecdotal example there. Make sure कि तिम तो वारिया sani medicine, allopathic medicine करा use, to be honest, in one form or the another form. Personally, hackable, I think when it personally one of the advocate that get to use non-allopathic medication. The mission was a personal experience. I think because Bdras Warrior, I don't know what is happening now. Magar America's Muslim Commission, we don't allow this kind of a thing to happen.
Shukriya, Dr. Sab. I think the key takeaways would be कि you see sudden cardiac deaths, screening शवारिया important. तो ये screening जो community effort चाहे so autopsy हिसाब वुचो या smoking तो drug abuse control करने हिसाब वुचो. तो now let's move on to one more aspect. ब्याकक अहम group of risk factors यूज़ च. So transient risk factors, for example, use mental health related च emotional stress, for example, use dilchen bemarin ak hisab trigger च karan. कशीर च अक्सर आबादी कुन नत कुन तरीक depression या stress उक शिकार. तो खसूसन नौजवान, right? So चाहे सो रोजगार च कमी या तेमिच परेशानी और demographic या political हालात ये थी, तो वो सारे चीज़ों से अक रोजमर्रा जिंदगी में stress level वारिया high आसान गमच. Dr. Maqbool, अगर तुम वनियो कि तुहंस क्या राय छ अत मुतालिक high levels of stress कितकन चहकान दिलचन बीमारिन हुंद risk बढ़ायत या तो वन तो अगर इस नौजवानन मस heart attack या cardiac arrest compare करो इन बुजुर्गन मस अत मस क्या फर्क छ इमा वुचना?
वुचु यम छ ज चीज अख छ acute psychosocial stress या अख छ chronic psychosocial stress. Acute psychosocial stress छ सारी डॉक्टर casualty मस विचान. All of a sudden casualty must shock na chest pain krit me seen as dag history imchiman asas gay karibi ya emis nechu asan guzrom ya mol asan guzrom aksar asan emis karibi dos guzrom ish acute psychosocial stress use an heart attack bringing karan then heart attack gastic chances wide zyada high asan या कहीं गि बिजनेस मज कह तूता बोड लॉस कि यह डूब यह नफर यह एक्यूट साइकोसोशल स्ट्रेस यम सत हार्ट अटैक हेकान गसित यह कॉमन फाइंडिंग कैजुअलिटी मज वुचान दयम क्रॉनिक साइकोसोशल स्ट्रेस नौजवान मज लबन अत इंपॉर्टेंट वजह जॉब लैक ऑफ जॉब यमन जॉब कहें या कह नफर जॉब कर ही लूजेस हिज जॉब या दयम चीज अमिस सोशो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस यह लो अमिस गर माली हालात खराब या अमिस गरस मज कह नफर यह बेमार यह अमिस देख रेख अमिस बेमारस दोहस रातस अमसी पेवान कर या अमिस सोरे गरस पेवान संभालन या जन अंद पक अमिस सोशल सपोर्ट गोस आसन यह कम अमिस मिलान. What happens ultimately? You see नफर डिप्रेशन मज गसान with this stress. And with depression, what happens? Many things come. Ye nafar ch lagan khyon zyada. Usually ch luk khawan zyada. He tends to become obese. With obesity ch yawan blood pressure. Obesity ch panas ch diabetes ana. Obesity ch panas ch imzan cholesterolic taklif ch yam ana panas sitin. Dayim cheez yus emis gasan ch. Ye ho sakta hai ye lage galat vayt maz yam sat emis stress go. Ye smoking karan shuru. Ya ye drugs kun hekan lagi. So yim sari cheez relit yus stress ch ultimately emis nafras obesity badawan yeh heka emis diabetes te karit yeh heka emis hypertension te karit cholesterol ch bemar te heka karit yeh heka emis galat vayt maz lagavit chahe so cigarette smoking ch ya drug abuse ch. Although asche studies kya yim zan homut ch ki directly stress involve karan heartas yeh heart attack heka karit magar asche substantial evidence ath baras maz ki stress ch directly heart attack heka karit. मगर यम जन यम बाकी चीज यम सारी चीज अम स्ट्रेस सत गसान यम सारी रलित अमलगम बनावान यम सत यम नफरस अमिस ससेप्टेबल करान कि अमिस हेकि यंग एज मज हार्ट अटैक गस.
Magul sir, I mean, I had to just move for a second. Did you talk about Takotsubo cardiomyopathy?
Yes, sir. Cardiomyopathy chi ya fes vanan che Takotsubo cardiomyopathy ya stress related cardiomyopathy. Ye chi initially in saat ye aayi cardiomyopathy es vanan ye post menopausal female an gasan. Magar off late this concept has changed. It can occur at any age, but it usually is more common in females, can occur in males also. Ye chi basically stress related cardiomyopathy asan. Heart comes to acute stress. It can be an emotional stress. Ye ki post surgical stress gesit. Ye ki kah mamuli dod gesit. Tam pat he ki tam stress sid gesit. Yos ye cardiomyopathy che, yos ye heart kamzor gasan. Sudden death te hekan gesit. Arrhythmias hekan gesit. Heart kamzor hekan gesit. Ye che kehen nafran mas reversible asan. Ye nafar che puru recover hekan gesit. Magar kehen nafran mas che rozan ye long standing, iman che long term dilated cardiomyopathy gasan. Ye cardiomyopathy is stress related.
Right. This one is broken heart syndrome or stress related cardiomyopathy. As you rightly said, which was a common female and manzin. Usually it says broken hearts bichare male and manzgasam, but this is one condition where females kind of really break heart. You're right, it's a reversible cardiomyopathy as one, but can lead to sudden death very rarely. Lower cause. I think I was supposed to talk about depression. Depression, yeah, stress-related problems. In addition to that, have a big depression catecholamines and hormones are body must increase. Depressive charge as a ventricular arrhythmia, seems certain patient merit. Even also this artery chas under heart as such as endothelium, depression such a some people actually have said even sort of inflammation. The depression certain various problem and again, in such a depression you tend to smoke more. Depression is also depression is Americans. So all that combined, depression, obesity, diabetes under control. Agar job ya mood is resort in such a way that they feel depressed. So when such a patient has a heart attack goes a problem gas, cancer, obviously depression. So it's kind of a double whammy. It's kind of a, we call it catch-22. Depression leads to Bemar. It can be either way. So depression again, we if we did such one and say psychiatrist, to get the help, and the help is with a psychiatrist. So psychiatrist can't help unfortunately, no. You'll get really benefit out of the intervene period. Doctors problem.
Say, Doctor Sir, Shukriya. Me basan as different aspects, factors, karan heart attacks, heart disease, them me basan but asal point, explore. Yeah, that's a aspect. So management as doctors. So because anger sabun, to medical facilities doctor sahiban manpower urban area doctors available. Because recently JK Policy Institute commented North Kashmir kam specialist cardiology as a result to maximum patients Srinagar outside Kashmir ilaj khotar. तो department कितना कोशिश करान ये problem mitigate करने ताकि ये गैस मतलब सारे पेशेंटन वात असल पे ट्रीटमेंट बे वन तो ऐसे रिसेंट क्या एडवांसमेंट्स शो कशीर मज अवेलेबल युम इत पेशेंट हेकन अमुक इस्तेफादा तुलित
Director Sir,
Ajaz sir, may I?
yeah, please, you are supposed to answer this.
Okay. Ajaz sir, खुशी इस बात से ये कि जन Dr. Yusuf Sab and Dr. Maqbool Sab या both Dr. Ahangar Toy Bronkenship. We are all trained from Sher-e Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences. Sanye particular line hun iftitah Sher-e Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences gumuz yat maz cardiology hun hawal shunkan dewan. Ta at nisbat Sher-e Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences maz winkenas ke cardiology department, the cardiovascular thoracic surgery department, yat maz DM-MCH program challenge. By virtue of this DM-MCH program, the postdoctoral program, yetim winkenas tim scholars neran pass out gesitan yim zan dunihikis kunti hissas maz chhe. So kosher cardiology expert ya cardiothoracic surgeon expert shows sirf na ke J&K मज बल्कि हिंदुस्तान किस कुंती रियासतस मज तो अत सत दुनिया किस कुंती हिस्सस मज मौजूद तो पनुन पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर पर्टिकुलर रोल बखूबी निभावान यमिश बेहतरीन एग्जाम्पल डॉक्टर यूसुफ साहब अमेरिका मज डॉक्टर मकबूल साहब SMHS या प्राइवेट सेक्टर सत जुड़ित तह या बाकी प्राइवेट सेक्टर मज सन स्कॉलर्स इथे पन वनस सन यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ J&K अत मज सन पास आउट्स not only in northern Kashmir but even any other part of the Kashmir they are there. District hospitals level and pe सन पास आउट्स वनकन बह वन सह बदकिस्मती तो खुशकिस्मती दी बदकिस्मती इन द सेंस कि अगर यम DM या पोस्ट डॉक्टरल स्टडी कर नान गई बड़े बड़े सेंटर मज यन युंद मेजर रोल मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या इंटरवेंशनल प्रोग्राम के हवाल खुशकिस्मती ये कि यमन पेरिफेरल सेंटर मज यिंद आसन सतन तिम लुख जिंद हेकान रोजित तिम लुख हेकान बचित यमन श्रीनगर वातान वातान शायद चेयर गया यमन इंस्टीट्यूट वातान वातान या मेडिकल कॉलेज वातान वातान चेयर गया तिम हेकन तथ गोल्डन आवरस मज वतित कह पॉइंट ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन इज कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे सन माहिर स्टूडेंट्स यम जन पास आउट्स यम जन यमन यम फैसिलिटीज तकनस वनकस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ J&K available कर तिम easily हेकान थ्रोम्बोलाइज करित अकिस पेशेंट्स अगर myocardial infarction go coronary artery disease chest he gets an acute attack they thrombolize the patient there and they save a person there by the time you patients pat mazid advice khatra institute watan ya medical college watan amish asan basic treatment mulment it which is a big sense of satisfaction and a grave achievement. I mean this is one major contribution from Sher-e Kashmir Medical Sciences from the pass outs from DM and MCH. They are contributing a major way in saving the lives. So far as certain cardiac deaths are concerned, unfortunately, tim lok yimno yithan center chahe district hospital or even primary health centers yitante we can send DM students pass out posted as assistant surgeons but they manage these patients. But yim sudden cardiac deaths, I will just point it out again. Yuta awareness bade, tuta gasan yim easily capture, tuta gasan yim easily detect, tuta gasan easily yim the reasons car for my sudden death gasnik. Agar kansi conduction abnormalities, rhythm disturbances, cardiomyopathies, birth defects because of the consanguineal marriage, all inherited factors. All those things can be detected well in advance before a person dies of a sudden death. So all this major chunk of pass outs from Institute of Medical Sciences today, they're doing a wonderful job in the peripheries. They're saving lots of lives, and a Save Heart campaign is all the simultaneously going on, which one of some people from our own institution, other peripheral institutions are coordinating. They're saving a lot of lives there. I'll just take few more seconds with regard to COVID and sudden deaths, which Dr. Yusuf Saab touched, which Maqbool Saab touched. We know that what COVID या इमकोस तबाही कर सरसे दुनियास में. We know how the health structures in the advanced countries like America or Europe kept on crumbling. We know how economies got shattered. We know how everything came down to standstill. The shutdowns, the lockdowns, the internet getting down, everything came to standstill, and that increased not only our decreased our physical activities, but increased our propensity for getting certain deaths or certain cardiac events, or increased the stress part of it. We lost the jobs. That's all compounded the picture. I just want to take only one point a little extra today, that we have seen what disaster this COVID has done and what is going to unfold, we don't know, as Dr. Yusuf Saab said. We tried so many molecules, from hydrochloroquine to remdesivir to convalescent plasma therapy to ECMO and lung transplants and whatnot. Everything worked or did not work. That's something different. But today, fortunately, within less than a year, we have vaccine available. We must take the use of this vaccine. All the people, as per the schedule laid down by the government, must get vaccinated. And this is the last weapon we have. We must not leave this opportunity. We must live and let others live. This is my message through this medium. I hope the time is coming to a close and levels now. I leave it to the rest of the panelists to discuss further.
शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब. यहाँ पे बस होता है ब्याह सवाल करूँ यिथन जन तुम वो अवेयरनेस सन नौजवान कूता अवेयर या अनअवेयर रिगार्डिंग देयर कार्डियोवास्कुलर हेल्थ. अगर इस वो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज या वेस्टर्स कुन तच बेसिक लाइफ सपोर्ट या CPR रेगुलर ट्रेनिंग इवान दिन कशीर में छा इवान ये दिन इन इंस्टीट्यूशंस अदर देन मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूशंस.
Of course, Aisha ji, it's a part of the curriculum. It is part of the curriculum in postgraduate training. It's part of the curriculum in the postdoctoral training. It's a matter of regular. It's a matter of regular exercise. It's being done. Not only Sher-e-Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences, but government medical colleges, wherever they are. Today, they are imparting this training.
Let me
complete, ma'am. Not only these medical institutions are imparting this training, but even the peripheral health centers and peripheral district level centers are imparting this training. Directorate of Health Services in J&K are doing it as a matter of routine. They have coordinated centers. One of the major centers they have at Dobivan, where they are getting all the field staff, they're training them, and they take our help, they take our faculty, they take our experts, and we also participate in these programs. We also invite our students. We have one advanced life sports training system, as well as even basic life sport. So all this is a matter of training, which is happening as a matter of routine and is a part of the curriculum.
बिल्कुल शुक्रिया. Actually, मैं पूछना चाहती थी कि other than medical field use नौजवान यम affect गसान victims यम sudden cardiac deaths तमन friends या for example if मे ब्रुह कन for example कदार ये गैसे तो वह का as a common Kashmir सब trained या सब तुसा aware करना आमत regarding CPR procedures or regarding first aid.
Can I answer that question?
Yes, please.
Okay, so Angresa, it's a question to you as well. The problem, we are getting trained. It's a common friend of ours, may Allah bless his soul, Dr. Khurshid Iqbal. He was involved in lots, and he used to be in touch with us for some time about these things. Tim kariyo bicharim wari kushish na at his level to impart the training. So my was some question to you that should we actually kind of expand it to the rest of the society? Agar to ye to police wale te pata sarne kit pati CPR karan. Ye college school teacher pata kit pati karan. I think the question is very important. Ke as paida panin bachan talim din school and mazin ke how to do CPR. I can quote you a study. There was a study, third graders in America in one of the schools were compared to the EMS, Emergency Medical Service, even virus CPR Patashasana. They do both ACLS as well as BLS. There was absolutely no difference between the two when they were taught, third graders, how to do it. So what I'm saying is that as how many places do we have AEDs available? The defibrillators, is available. We have so many rich people there. Agar zakat is the person, we don't have to beg anybody else to get all these things done. Ashu misal ke taur par masjid al ya dargah chu ya jame masjid chu. You know, do we have an AED there? Or for that matter, bird gathering kun sat asan ta cha AED. So agar kansi garas maz bemar chu yus various risk factors chu, for example temish heart attack gomut, temish ejection fraction is maqbul so less than 35, he is at a risk of sudden cardiac death. Temsin bachan par zaruri hechun ki CPR ke push karan. Now the guidelines are changing. If you go to the recent guidelines of AHA, you don't have to breathe. You just have to give them basically CPR. You just give compression. Keep on compressing the chest till you get the notice. I think most of the question which I can answer now, because I think we're finishing the time. कि अगर तुम्हें दोस्तस कहीं की problem आये, अगर तुम्हें signs of heart attacks आसं भी क्या करते हैं सर? कश्मीर में जिक्यों तो किए करें? Because there is no 911. Here I can pick up a phone and call 911, excuse me, and I can get the ambulance or a fire department. Some police officer will be within 5 minutes. There is a study, obviously, which is, I'm pretty sure Maqbul Sahib read in his DM days. There was a Seattle study where they compared to which ke hai कि कुता time lagan ambulance units या EMS units as compared to how much death it creates. So every 10% people die in 1 minute. So by the end of 10 minutes, your efforts are all vain because the patient will be dead. 100 people will die. 100% will die at the end of 10 minutes. That concept Kashmir mas karun khas kar iskan halatan mas ye mas ek musibat Allah Taala se much kya karo bat qismi sa chu very difficult achieve karan. But agar someone doesn't mean that we should not strive, we should not try. And I'm so happy moving as ki hai students mas ya to Dobi one ya SMHS hospitals mas chala weekends. I would really suggest, like for example, the problem is that you do DM or MCH in medicine, you are DM MCH for the rest of your life. Here we have to do examination every 10 years. I teach you agar tu timan karyu, agar ACLS and BLS timan tu certify karyu. It should be limited because every year, every 6 months, every 2 years, AHA comes with new guidelines. And even by ACLS, BLS training, there should be ACLS instructors. Obviously, I'm pretty sure Angad Saab has those, who should certify that you are basic life support trained, you are advanced cardiac life support trained. And honestly, get it attached to either Red Cross India or Red Cross America. And if you guys need, I have carried some defibrillators. You can ask Khurshid Iqbal, the cardiologist, in my own suitcase, couple of AEDs when he was the dean of cardiology at that time, the chief of cardiology. We can help you. Believe me, money is not a problem. Getting you to things is not a problem. But again, somebody has to be responsible. And I can assure you, we can really save a lot of deaths in Kashmir, particularly these young people. I think that's where I'm going to stop and hope and pray that it will reach the concerned authorities.
Dr. Yusuf Saab, may I inform you also that of late, the erstwhile Medical Council of India, now the National Medical Council, has incorporated a program which is the medical education unit in every postgraduate training program, whichever institution it is there. The medical education unit has to be there in every medical college and every medical institution where these programs are there. In fact, even at the undergraduate level. And in that medical education unit, not only the students or the postgraduates are taught, but the teachers are taught. The teacher, it is training of the teachers, the teaching of the teachers. And in that, these life support training programs are mandatory, are a part of it. And in fact, this has been further expanded down to the level of final year students in MBBS, nursing students. And I have expanded in my institution to the even the lower levels also. But as you rightly said, taking states of America or European countries or the advanced nations into consideration, everybody knows CPR there. You see anybody dying on the seashore or on the roadside or any industrial unit, there's the resuscitation team available within, as you say, 911. Unfortunately, that's a distant dream in Kashmir. But I think the way education is birthright, in the same education, I think the curriculum should be changed that at matric level and onwards, the CPRs and resuscitative programs should be incorporated. And if we do it, not only the CPRs, of the every individual, every boy or girl after becoming 18 years old should know driving, should have a driving license. Every individual should have a driving license. Everybody should be knowing driving, and everybody knowing the driving should be knowing the CPR also. If we make these things mandatory, not only for the students, if we expand these programs to the security forces, police personnel, the security guards in any establishment, teachers, university level, colleges, I think we can cover the entire society.
Yeah. So I have one more thing I tell you. The question is, as an electrophysiologist, we write the guidelines for AHA as far as what needs to be incorporated in CPR and other things. And I do CPR every day in the lab. I mean, Maqbool Sahab will remember it in EP what we do. So I have to renew my certificate every 2 years, both basic life support as well as ACLS. And you know who gives me the training? EMS, the ambulance guy who is emergency medical service guy. He takes my full examination. He gives me 20 questions. He asks me to do the CPR, how effective I am. He asks me to recognize those rhythms. That's the system. Even as a professor of whatever I am, I'm being asked by an EMS guy to pass or fail. Out of 20 questions, I'm only 2 questions.
This is a very important point. Doctor Sahab, agar tu kashir pait vanyo na better ho jay. It's a very important
thing. As an electrophysiologist, as a doctor, choose karana, ush banawan yim rules and regulations in America smazi. Mesh pewan pan doi buhet ACLS BLS certificate banawan panas kurt. The examination me asan done in front of an EMS person who is just a nurse. And he gives me, so she gives me one question, otherwise that will fail. Besh me bilkul training karnawan, bilkul maine kenan patin, ki imis professor achha tagan effective compression karan kin kiye. Ya isha bichus halak Maqbool and others, Congress have knows that I deal with these rhythms. I deal sudden death every day. But problem is ki bisha santim ECG paran bugas pass. This is the new system kormo create, which works very well. But Mewasan Kashiri Manzin Agar start with Agar Sabuni won't try to get I think that's a welcome step. We should start from that and then try to touch Karn war, inshallah, broken expand. And again, I'm telling you guys, I have been telling, and Maqbool Sahab and others know it, I don't talk. I'm mobilize it for this to Agar to kunit kasmich misal or monetary, advisory, or any kind of a thing, getting affiliated against American Heart Association, so I think we can help you guys here. But again, I think it's also just right to use that answer. I'm taking that responsibility.
Dr. It's a great suggestion, sir. It's a great suggestion.
If you feel like as and when you happen to visit Kashmir again, whenever you happen to, so please do let me know. I'll chart out a program for you coming to Sher-e Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences as well as Government Medical College. Will coordinate the activity so that you could speak to our people there, our students today, our teachers today, and you could tell us the latest in the guidelines. You could tell us how effectively we can enhance our programs and how effectively we can broaden the spectrum of this teaching and training, and then collaborate with you, be it American Heart Association. We would love to have the affiliation with such centers. After all, that is what is the importance of the university like Sher-e Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences is. And this being the highest level of center today as we have, we don't know, future might get us something more. Maybe you're able to get one institution to us in a different sense in Kashmir. But then today, as in when we have, we can coordinate at that level.
I said time very come weekends it's very close to as for very fun time text. Atpet karo off live just is karo atpet inshallah comment discussion. So I
will just make one comment. This is a great suggestion, sir, Professor Yusuf Saab. I know how much you have done for cardiology here. I have been seeing that right since my DM days and before that also, sir. यहाँ पे सर मैं एक बात कत वन बह सर ये हार्ट अटैक प्रोग्राम ना ये हार्ट अटैक प्रोग्राम गो कशीर मज वारियाह डेवलप मे बी यम सात तुम ये तम सात आसान यूता ये प्राइमरी एंजियोप्लास्टी वनकस रैम्पंट ये शेर कश्मीर इंस्टीट्यूटस मज SMHS हॉस्पिटल्स मज खैबर प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल अ 24/7 गसान यह ना अम ब्रो गसान कहें मगर पत्मो 4-5 वरियो पे कह पेशेंट टाइमस पे यह प्रत कह पेशेंट तुलान तो अमिस प्राइमरी एंजियोप्लास्टी करान नॉट ओनली दिस यम जन पेरिफेरी मज पेशेंट हार्ट अटैक हेत यवान चाहे सह इवन कारगिल जंस्कार या कुपवारा अत पेशेंट यवान डॉक्टर साहब अत वुचान इवन अगर यह मेडिकल ऑफिसर जस्ट एन MBBS स्टूडेंट अमिस मैक्सिमम मोस्ट ऑफ द कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट यूं फोन नंबर अमिस निश ये ऑर्गनाइजेशन ती चलान ये सेव हार्ट इनिशिएटिव वनान आहंगर साहब ऑलरेडी वोन यम जन डॉक्टर साहब अम ECG ट्रांसफर करान व्हाट्सएपस पे एंड यम सन सजेशन निवान यह पेशेंट इमीडिएटली थ्रोम्बोलाइज गसान या अगर अमिस कह रिदम डिस्टर्बेंस अमिस वनान अमिस क्या कर दिखा अमिस DC शॉक या दिखा अमिस एमाइड्रोन या अमिस दिखा डिल्टेजम इंजेक्शन यम तीचा लाइव सेव गई यह प्रोग्राम मज वनकस रैम्पंट बे सारी अत मज इन्वॉल्व ऑलमोस्ट ऑल कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट आर इन्वॉल्व रोत क्युत इन 2 बज फोन आई विल पिक अप द फोन इन 4 बज व्हाट्सएप आई विल पिक अप द फोन सर मैं एक बात बताता हूँ सर हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं एक प्रॉब्लम हमें है जो कार्डियोजेनिक शॉक है ये आपको पता है सर इसमें मोर्टेलिटी कितनी हाई है एक प्रोग्राम हम शुरू करना चाहते हैं कश्मीर कार्डियोजेनिक शॉक इनिशिएटिव जिसमें हम जो जितने भी लोग जो कार्डियोजेनिक शॉक में चले जाते हैं वो एक सेंटर पे जाएं वहां पे एक बहुत बड़ा सिस्टम रहे पर्टिकुलरली कुछ लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व हो जाएं जो ये कार्डियोजेनिक शॉक को मैनेज करें इनकी प्राइमरी एंजियोप्लास्टी करें चाहे एक्मो की जरूरत पड़े इम्पेला की जरूरत पड़े this is where we want your help sir.
Okay, so before somebody cuts me off, I'll have to take maybe 30 seconds only. Maghul Sahab, I do not know when my brother passed away in your cath lab.
I have heard sir, I have heard.
Okay, so he died in my hands. I couldn't do anything because right. You know why you guys did primary angioplasty and he died on the table because he went into cardiogenic shock because there was no balloon pump. Right. And that time the director, Shaukat Sahab or somebody, I went and begged him to get a pump. So you got a pump at that time. You are absolutely right. I'm so happy to see that the cardiology department, cardiothoracic department in Medical Institute, as well as SMHS, is really doing great. I'm a witness to a lot of people who have been saved by you guys, and kudos to you. My congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Shukriya, Kanjwal sahab, Maghul sahab, tai koru asal pe sami to last discussion. Maybe inshallah, I see more further te aap kat karnas to ilaya sab karnas. That would be very nice. So, book kara kaise time go varia. To ashu summit में कोशिश करूँगी. करा last सवालात. तो तात में चुस भी याचान ये प्रश्न कि suppose when early symptoms क्या आसान इथस मतलब एक पेशेंटस मिस क्या वन कार्डियक अरेस्ट है खतरा है इस क्या early symptoms आसान या ऐसे तो युस फर्स्ट रेस्पोंडर आइस से फॉर एग्जांपल उतान के CPR का एम अगर क्या है कर कश्मीर में तो तीन पाँच सौ वन तो वो क्या वो ना टाइम को इस बार श्रूद कम इस वन तो ये की लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस या बाकी डाइटरी चेंजेस क्या क्या हकन सन जवान करित या सन बुजुर्ग करित ताकि इम रिस्क अमन गसे इमेज से कम मे बी कंजवाल साहब अगर तुम शुरू करियो ते पत वन मकबूल साहब बे डायरेक्शन
तो वो कि सिम्पटम्स क्या है कि बीमार युस प्रोन ना यस पत खुदारशिन की प्रॉब्लम है कि गसे बत
बिल्कुल
अतवार अच्छी नंबर 8 go obesity agar toy basan ju kan young nafar chu obese should temish obviously one ahead that he has to take care of his weight because that's going to temish second various bemari gesi because of obesity the ashu kashir man in office maybe Maghul sahab Ahmed sahab will be able to tell me obesity should go various zyada tab se wajah ye ki again Maghul sahab gona thi won ya Ahmed sahab ki tachno paka karam bilkul kahin Parking because we have America is the most obese nation in the world because of these things only. So diabetes, how can research, and I think that time, I don't know what it was 11% or something, maybe you guys can help me. 10% look in diabetic. Hypertension is too common. Hypertension is malignancy, like malignancy in Kashmir. Tacha nunchai wajah, tacha sayesi halat wajah, tacha nokri shan lookan here, berozgari shivaya, political halat, ya sardi ya whatever. Such a big cheese. The bagel cholesterol. If you check cholesterol of the people, to be honest, there are a lot of people who have what we call metabolic syndrome. He knows it well, and he must be investigating people pretty good about that. So, agar toy paans broken nafar akshu, you say basanchu patyomut heart attack khatar, kosher putwana. Temis chu intervene kar. Temis chu vanun weight karan kam. Temis chu vanun diabetes control karan. Temis chu vanun cholesterol medicine kya. Temis chu vanun as a hypertension control karan. These are modifiable risk factors. Magar baaki chu family history of sudden death, family history of coronary artery disease. Tim should non-modified. Tim happo ne kihen kare timis morusi myono timis kya happo kare. Nafar chu ka agar de panas broken you wanna have bashus raat ke tushar gasan shansh mein khasa. Ya pakne mamuli pakne de shansh khasa. Isn't zaruri ke bemar asa chaj dag pakne vize. There are other symptoms you mean this one non they are called not too much one as angina equivalent. Basically, all of a sudden he feels very weak. Yeah, all of a sudden he is sweating. So broken duos symptoms are something which doctors niche comes in panas family history, risk factors, smokers, sedentary people, yim should not for him which could ki heart attack. Isliye yum tulling in not for him to karna panas panas as intervene. So, Mishabasan, this is what my advice would be to the people. Baki, Mabul Sir, Ahangar Sir, they are locally there, they know the local thing, what's happening there.
Maqbul Sir, to ye diva ki him lifestyle changes kya karan pazan?
Obviously, you summon risk factors when you measure risk factors. Yataftain, human patient are already heart diseases che ya use nafar panas fit yasan thavan chu. Agar is khanchanas mutalik vicho. Green leafy vegetables, yes, salad. Each very important. Each heart healthy food. Number is the whole grains. Ya to his selim anaj vanan. Ya kank or kanks vanapur. Refined kya ya jan mud vanan che. So whole grain, green leafy vegetables. Yim chi important sign heart is healthy thaun khatre. Agar rice ice can brown rice chwari asl. Yiman look on obesity cha already. Cardiac disease, diabetes, agar im fit yasan rozan chi, yim akan brown rice consume karit, ya brown bread chi yiman sahakan consume karit. As far as oils are concerned, atmas chi kya asan, polyunsaturated to monounsaturated fats. Yim chi sanis heart is khatre theek asan. Yim zan saturated fats, khas kar yus butter chana atmas chi variya zyada asan, cheese cha atmas chi variya zyada asan. Yim chin theek sani khatre kya, yim zan bazars maz is teel hewan chi mail. Sun run khatre yiman maz agar polyunsaturated ya monounsaturated fats asan yim chi behtar sani heart khatre yiman maz chi khas kar ak important teel ya jan olive oil zaitun teel wana ish sanis heart khatre variya healthy ish sanis heart maz yus sari khud bad cholesterol LDL cholesterol wanan chu amich level chi kam karan yus good cholesterol HDL cholesterol chu amich level badawan chu be triglyceride yiman zyada asan chi yiman se triglyceride gasan kam आम तौर वन बह जवानन खतर सन जवान यम जन जंक फूड्स वारिया ज्यादा खेवान छ यम साथ तुम अनान छ यम जंक फूड्स बेहतर छ कि हिंस लेबल वचो तुम यम अगर यमन लेबलन पे ट्रांस फैटी एसिड्स लिखित छ यम ट्रांस फैटी एसिड्स छ LDL लेवल सो बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ावान तो HDL लेवल कम करान यम ट्रांस फैटी एसिड्स छ खास कर आसान यम जन चिप्स छ आसान कुकीज आसान छ या यम जन पैक्ड फूड्स आसान छ यमन मज वारिया ज्यादा आसान सो अत पे पज ध्यान दिन कि यम खेमो न कह त्रेम चीज नट्स नट्स सैनिस हार्टस खतर वारिया असल अत मज रिच अख नट या जन डून वनान यह डून वारिया असल सैनिस हार्टस खतर पर्टिकुलरली मज हाइपर ट्राइग्लिसराइडीमिया वारिया ज्यादा ट्राइग्लिसराइड लेवल इट्स वेरी रैम्पट इन कश्मीर अगर इंसान डून जितरे खे दोहस इट विल बी गुड फॉर द हार्ट सेम इज ट्रू फॉर आलमंड्स जन बादम यम ति हार्ट खतर वारिया असल अगर इंसान 5-10 बादम जितरे डून दोहस खे इट विल बी अ गुड फूड फॉर द हार्ट so this is my final thing.
Maghul sahab, other thing which I wanted to add, the greatest consumption of meat is in our valley.
Absolutely.
And is disastrous for these people. Then again, you know, we consume a lot of red meat. Otros is going with I see koiche poitin maas go bams anos khudar mol mumut you know. And I think the time has come, honestly, as you rightly said. I'm not telling people when you're vegetarian or vegan, no. ठीक है, McDonald's में क्यों? मगर ये price I think खोता इस मार्ग से खोला इस्पान because we are voracious meat eaters. You know, I have myself weakness for the meat. I'm not going to tell you, I'm not going to lie about you. But here we can afford it, whatever it is. 500 रुपये मांस किलो ताकनो ची डोम तिवारिया. So you can imagine कि कुता चेसिया पोंस्ती का साम बर्बाद भी सेहत का साम बर्बाद. I think red meat is to be avoided at any cost.
Right. Amir sahab, Masam Shin will other related advice. Iman patient and for example cardiac issues already.
Main advice was.
Yeah, go ahead, Asa. Go ahead.
Main advice रोज चूंकि यह मजहबी फरीज अत सन कशर लुक बिल्कुल तमी रिलीजियसली फॉलो करान अत मज कहीं शक लुक रोजदर रोजान तम नमाज परान तम इबादत करान तम बाकी नेक काम करान अत मज खेन चनुक काफी रोल सहरस इंसान वतान गजा खान पन्ने हैसियत हिसाब के तमिस पनस मुनासिब बासान मगर बह वन बे सो कत साल्ट कम कर नून कम कर स्पाइसेस कम कर ताकि दोस म्यादस इरिटेशन तो रोज कहें मरसवान तम इस्तेमाल कम कर ताकि दोस तम सख्ती यी नी कहें सहर वक्त त्रेश वेश काफ़ी चेन ताकि दोस डिहाइड्रेशन प्रॉब्लम गि कहें सत डिहाइड्रेशन गि कहें सो हाइपर कॉगुलेबिलिटी ऑफ द ब्लड आउट तह पॉसिबिलिटी फैक्टर क्रिएट कहें जन दवा खेन जरूरी अगर कह शख्स एंटीप्लेटेड ड्रग्स निवान या एंटी हाइपरटेंसिव निवान या कोलेस्ट्रॉल या ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स कंट्रोल करने खतर अमिस पज ड्रग्स सहरस तो इफ्तार वक्त तम हिसाब जरूरी खेन यम पजन अवॉइड कर कहें बल्कि यम पजन रिलीजियसली फॉलो कर डॉक्टर सबन मशवर दुतमुत बे वन बे कत बदकिस्मती यह सोचित रोज दर रोजान कि दोहस फाक दिन मरो अगर न खेमो. So in that what we do, we overshoot. माह रमजान मज ज्यादा खेवान बनस्बत कि बाकी दोन मज सहरस तवान इफ्तारस तवान इफ्तारस खेवान गोडन प्रत कुन किस्म स्वीट डिश फ्रूट सलाड बाकी चीज पे गो डिनर थी पे सहरस बे विद इन स्मॉल गैप we overeat during the month of Ramzan. This is my observation. Most of the people overeat rather than less. And which is not so. And the reason is the more we take, whether it is in carbohydrates, the more we are adding our sugar load to our body. The more we take salt and other things, the more stress we are taking ourselves for putting blood vessels into the disaster. It happens to yim cheese, utilize carbohydrates come karo shayad sugar levels rosan kuni khas maqdaras mein pen tem oral hypoglycemic agents ya insulin to pe वारिया कम जरूरत अगर रोजदारी हूं फायदे तुलो. तो मेन एडवाइस रोज ये कैन करो कम त्रेश चमो ज्यादा यम जरूरी तम थो तथे पे शेड्यूल्स में हिसाब पगान और unnecessarily खेमो ज्यादा कह जुनित कि दोस फाक गोड़े स्टोर कोर्मुत वारिया एनर्जी वी मस्ट डिसिपेटेड यह सो तरतीब सैनिस मजहबस मज जन अल्लाह ताला सिंद तरफ नियामत अगर अमे रोजदारी हूं बिल्कुल असली तौर फायदे तुलो वेट रिड्यूस करो बच पे कंट्रोल करो तो पन्न आदात तो सकनातन पे कंट्रोल कर ऐसे को स्ट्रेस ते पन्न हद कम करित ऐसे को ब्लड प्रेशर कम करित ऐसे को डायबिटीज कम करित तो यमन त्रेन चीजों से वाबस्त यम ते रिस्क फैक्टर्स यम जन मॉडिफायबल छ यम हेको से वारिया दसन कंट्रोल कर
Yeah, before Mahbub Sahab talks, I just wanted to talk one thing. Akshin Shikaran ki kunshi asan 2-3 liter na dawa kyon. So doctor sahab se is mashwar karan ki bhai hakai divide kare don time number is hydration angar sabun, that's very important. My personal opinion and mine is I always thought ki main this wasn't come my son's mother. Yeah, actually badio wajah chahti ki usse binge karan. That's true. खासकर particularly angina या heart patients when heart attack has gone, you say shamas begin to put iftaras tum 5-6 cheese panas bronch and thalans, and then we just voraciously like jump at it like a that has avoided, because what happens is so we had to taraweeh and then all of a sudden we sleep and then we have to get up again early in the morning. Mishwasan Angar Sabun ke points variya aso ki is hakko kir. In fact, to be honest, Mishwasan tasis wana broiz Ramzan namaz. Yusnu zan namaz karan shri Ramzan asmus paran namaz. So that's the type of, like the sunnah concentration, putting yourself in front of God. So you can actually do whatever people call yoga and all that heals, that decreases your blood pressure and other things. You can really control, modify risk factor Angar Sabun. You can really control them if you really strictly go by what is the meaning and purpose of this. Meaning is not to binge, and meaning is not to wait for the whole day for iftar. That's not the meaning of Ramadan.
सही डॉक्टर साहबान वारिया शुक्रिया बड़ बेहतरीन डिस्कशन होता है दीदू बड़ा कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव व्यू वैसे कि कम फैक्टर्स छ कित कन हको ऐसे पन पान बचैत कम तदाबीर हको ऐसे करे तम खातर तो वारिया शुक्रिया तुम ताय पड़ो वारिया पन कीमती टाइम सानी नाजरीन तो तय इस बेहतरीन जानकारी तो इंशाल्लाह नाजरीन अजु प्रोग्राम सदा वसेती पेट मुकम्मल इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीक यमो इस अख नो प्रोग्राम है इस कालस दियो इजाजत अस्सलाम वालेकुम।